So now, fast forward now, me I look for Hauto and World Dawg. World Dawg is somebody I look up to. Is me I say, we don't talk often, but we do talk from time to time. Leave Linky Dawg some advice for a long time. World Dawg, you're a giant in this, bro.
He is.
You're a fucking giant, bro. Just always remember that. Is me I say, my G. Hauto, you're a giant in this too, bro. All of my friends are stars. As a bigs. I'm ready to talk them. And you see, if the beef not reach a level where
death,
when man start dead,
it's not that serious.
When time me say man in a fuckery I go on, me want to go refresh me up and say, oh, the brother in a post 2 weeks now, when there? And nobody don't know when there. Everybody start asking, when there? When last
them beef, they're real beef.
At them beef, them want to say, so if nobody now go blood clot disappear,
blow it out.
If me now go refresh your page and say, yo, 17 weeks ago, your last post, nobody not hear from your people start ask, want to know your whereabouts? If I know them kind of beef, they bro, you can't talk it out, bro.
Alright, this song.
Yes. See the fatty, see the. I need a fat girl tonight, fatty.
Yes, so I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back, everybody. I don't know. What do you have with the regular guests? So, I even have to do no introduction because the G family, I understand.
All we know each other now.
All we know. We've been know each other,
Come
bro.
on, man.
We've been know each other.
We and them and everybody.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Good.
Come on,
Yo, I don't know if you're realizing that at the 4th episode, this, you know.
I fourth one?
Yeah.
Right.
I'm a bill to tell this nigga, bro, start your podcast, bro. Start a podcast. So.
Eventually, bro. Eventually.
Yeah,
soon. So, yo, big up all Imara Nation is. I say big up all YouTube. Everybody want to support the podcast. They sit down and watch this and think to see me. Yeah, man. Big up all like workless people. When I do but sit down and watch YouTube at daytime.
Yeah.
Thank you no feel no worklessness. As I say that make we better. We entertain on the world and not in life. As I say thank you for that is a gift and a trade. Is me. And to the good people, I just play the podcast while they drive. Just a whole steaditation. Just a watch some play or something like saying. Just pass the time.
For real.
Big up all our viewers.
So much podcasts and more time on them some of them, bro. Like, you know, driving. Me I do some housework. Yeah, man. Poppy in the podcast.
You know when we really watch podcasts, bro?
When?
So me get some good pussy.
Yeah.
Okay, you know when you get good pussy, you're not speed. You obey a road sign. You just a chill, bro.
Cruising.
Zone out like so, bro.
Cruising.
Just have a podcast and talk like so.
Yeah.
Just say, yeah, man. Just agree with people.
That before our you say when I get some good so
When we get some pussy.
after.
No, you can't listen to podcast before you get the pussy. You hear that?
We say I listen some dance music.
You listen to some dance sort music, bro.
Bad bitch love fuck right bad.
Sinful. Like just some shit will just get me in a zone. Can you see? Time I go for pussy, bro. Me always full charge first before, bro.
Fully charged.
Yeah, man. NSC if you activated. If me not have me NSC, me always have me NSC.
The money are any god.
Any god.
Me a rum god. But me drink the any. But the money are any god. Straight.
I mean, a man when I left me pill in her, bro.
Dog, me I beg you for when I pill them what they in.
You know what's the reason for they give pill?
Man about a bag of pill and man even say yo niggas. I said judge.
Anybody who know me, you know something is a very bad mind youth. Is it me I say? No. Me no want to give thugs the pill and then the thugs go on better than me and whatever. Like, you know, me hold on my bridging them in a life. I just say, me not give you nothing, brother. You too workless, man. Brother.
Yo, I say you go still have me dog. I say you go, brother. You see me?
Yeah.
But yo,
to them.
first order of business. When you don't see we have on a shirt.
Sashi.
Announce it on Instagram some weeks ago.
That is it.
We are going to host the biggest night on Sashi.
Biggest show for the year.
For the biggest show for the year.
Jamaica not go normal.
Not normal. The 25th live.
The 25th are the main show. But
Main show, yeah, man.
Because we're getting my whole package.
No, we're going to do it from the 23rd to the 26th.
Naturally.
But when we are work,
At the 25th.
25th.
The main night.
Yeah.
I mean, I tell you, say the biggest name in the industry. We are talk about Keisha Cole.
But when Keisha Cole starts singing, I got tear from Marina and go up on stage, you know. Love! Boom, tear from her, run out on stage.
Pussy
Keisha Cole,
clad.
Keisha
Pussy
Cole, bro.
clad.
She's that bitch, bro. Keisha Cole.
Hey.
Who else I got there?
Neo, keep on your shirt now.
Bumbo, yeah, we're not tear from my shirt for that.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Neo go fuck up the town, you know what I say?
Have to.
Man, them better don't make a girl got the show by herself, bro.
Yeah, man. Them man, they have the Dexter up and Usher effect.
You know them man, I go to work.
Problem. Once them man start sing, you doom general.
That is it. Busta Rhymes.
Bumbuckle. And I gotta feel the week.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Who else?
Bumbuckle, Jada Kiss. I mean, I feel like, see, what those who just full up the place with foreigners in it.
No,
no.
no.
To them. Craft. Family. Najiri. Bumbuckle.
Bant bitch love fuck rat bat. Brother, we got Jamaica. We done to Jamaica, you know.
Done so.
Bumbuckle.
Negus, me say, I pack my suitcase with everything. Me I pack clothes, gun, no condom, and no sense.
Yeah, man.
Only essentials.
Yeah.
That's all I need. No, I'm telling you.
I left about 3 youth at Jamaica.
Full time now.
Yeah, man. Because really and truly, they say, child support thing not really work. You know, if a finance pay, you live in America, you know.
Yeah.
So, we drop you to Jamaica, you can send where you want to send. Yeah.
And then I get visa like one time.
That is it.
The message Jamaica is a perfect place to breed, girl.
Yeah, man. Let's breed them and left them, man.
Come on, man. And then you know, so Jamaica then so like, you picnic can't dead for younger because you have mango tree over there, so you have this over this. Come on, man.
Papa tree everywhere.
Come on, man.
Sweet sap. Wanna good? Yeah, man. I say it, go, man. So, yo, when you, alright, I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. This is one of the, I'm the hosting already, but this is one of the biggest. This is the biggest thing me ever do.
Me too.
Right now.
Easily.
Bro, we're up on an international stage. You know. Jamaica do, but it's an international show called Busta, Keisha Cole, Neo, Jada Kiss. And then now, the younger youth them from our place.
Yeah, man. Before we dance all
but it's a light, bro. That event, bro. Sucks. The energy.
Normal.
The energy we got Jamaica with, brother.
It not
Jamaica
normal.
yet to see that darkness there, brother.
Yo, you see first.
Me not lie.
And that's what you see. Me have to big up Sashi to see him, you know, bro, because watch his style.
Big up Sashi.
Hey, dog, yes, him have him crowd, as I remember, say Sashi not just a start now, you know. You know what I mean? Him just a revive it now, you know, you see me, I say. But him could have stayed and just go classic with everything, like all of the people when he did from the beginning.
True.
A man decides, say, yo, you know what? We're going to mix the world, we're going to mix the culture for we generation and fit them generation.
True,
you see me, I say.
Yeah.
And the man come get to a darkest youth, them in this for far. What you say,
man? Problem. Me just give thanks. Sashi, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
We are going to go hard. 110%.
Big up the whole Sashi team. You see me, I say.
100.
So when we say the Sashi experience, May 20, actually at the 22nd to the 26th, because the 22nd, they might have a pre-party, the all-white party.
Okay, so the all-white party on the 22nd. Thanks
right.
for the correction.
And then the 23rd at the fashion show. The 24th at the sound clash. And then the 25th at the main night. The 26th at the beach party. We just wrap up everything.
Brother, I'm going to tell you this. It's a beach party there. I tell you this right now. I apologize for anything that I do and say at that beach party because me I go red.
Don't.
Red like that shit. Is that shirt I red? I saw me I go red.
Hey.
I go red.
Hey. Negus, you see the beach party there, bro? I tell you all of my friends, I say, look here, you see, from we got Jamaica, we can do the thing.
Yeah.
You see, from 25th, after the main show there.
Problem.
Me not responsible for myself, you know. You better watch me, you know. Me don't know what me I go do, me don't know what me I go say, you know, brother. Me know, hey, I hear me go hear about what me go on with.
We're going to need an angler.
Yeah.
We're going to need somebody for angler.
Yeah.
Preferably 2 bad boobies. You understand what I say? Yeah.
Hey, Jamaica full of bad girls, you know, brother.
Bro. When I go to Jamaica, what day, brother? I go to Jamaica, what day? Socks. I'm going to go to one place for name Jangas. Bro. I've been to talk to Uptown girl from the yard and things, bro, but going back 14 years after, when the whole of it grown, okay, you know, like, when a girl that wear makeup in her younger days, she never knew how to blend it and do what she need to do.
She just look like one dead somebody.
Yeah, but now she know how to do it. She perfect the thing.
Oh, yeah.
So can you imagine the girl them, where did look good from them time there, and how good them look now? I got Jangas and I see a couple girls them I know, brother. I'm like, bro, am I in the ATL same way?
Yeah.
The girl them look like any foreign girl, and the girl them better than every foreign girl. Because them have a culture, and them look just as good. So them looking just as good and having the culture put them above any other girl, brother.
Yeah. And you see,
I love Jamaican girl.
when you say that, you know, bro, I start get really excited because I remember I left Jamaica when I was 15, you know, bro.
Yeah.
I say, almost 10 years now, I don't go back to Jamaica. You see me, I say, and them time there, me just go through like puberty, so me just grow and thing. You see me, I say, anytime me well ugly. You see me? Yeah. No, me just ugly, me well ugly. Well, fuck off, no man. Anyway, man. So When me not go through puberty, remember, you know, a girl in my age group that go through puberty too. So all the way the ugly. Because I don't want to get little go like say, yo, that's the talks about.
No, when you see them now.
Adapt me, I say, me want to see when they look like no. Me see some of them still, me see some of them classmates, them, I don't want to see them one day, no. Yeah, man.
Hey,
yeah, man.
I tell y'all niggas this right now. We do Socks. We just kick off the first leg of Socks tour, see? The Mud Shop tour.
Dev.
Brother. I love young girl, fuck. Me sound like them boy there, but we talk about legal young girl.
Legal young girl.
Yeah, we don't play them game there.
Where your bracket start?
Yeah, my bracket, 20.
20, cool.
Yeah, 20. See the teen thing, so now we.
Yeah, we can.
You can fuck teen.
Come on, man.
Yeah, me can't fuck them. Teen, it's so away for me. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm a big man. Teen so away for me, so 20, preferably 21 because I can carry a bar and I can carry a club and them so we can drink and beat juice. But yeah, the girl them are young. You see me? I love them girl, brother. The girl them skin tight and them look good and them just full of energy.
Yeah, brother. And
but them just want a good time.
Them just want a good time. You understand? Them are live in them freedom right now. Itara. I don't say it's a song.
Me Giara Itan
Yeah, like and them culture, them brother. And the thing about the young girl, dog, like young girl like get fuck rough, dog. Is me I say. But the old man, them have to make love to them as see me. Big up the old man them. But and all the while, I want to make love. Especially when I go out, anytime I drink rum and the liquor get in my system, I get dark, bro. Me no want to make love. I want to fuck. Like them kind of fuck there. And it's a young girl.
Blood clot, girl.
To them.
See me boxer on her face. Boom.
Yeah, man. And the thing about the young girl, them skin, it heal faster.
Yeah.
So like when you box them, so your girl them are gonna stay box for a while, bro.
Collagen up in the young girl them, man. You understand?
Yeah.
But we got Socks show. I'ma say a room full of girl. I'ma stay so.
Girl did it.
I say,
Yeah.
I say, the dog don't start rise up. The dog say,
Yo.
You see me?
Yo.
So when we got Jamaica, brother, I will have the real authentic Jamaican girl them right in front of me like this, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Again, I apologize for
Dunce.
mega dunce.
Dunce.
Don't hold me accountable, mega
You
dunce.
understand?
So, bad
What the
G.
fuck sense I go? Sense
Yeah.
can skate pan the toll.
Yo, what sense I go?
To them, man.
Yeah, man.
But the chatting, where they go?
Last time, I go sabum now, we did the podcast, I ask you, what happened during that time period before, from the other podcast till now? So, on this podcast, I'm going to ask you, what kind of advancements you made in your career since the last episode? Because the last episode was about some months ago, 4 months ago, if that long. What's new, bro?
Well, first and foremost, big up God.
Big up God.
Gotta guide. You hear me? You understand? Gotta work overtime. I say from 2024 start, I the only year this may ever bring in with a prayer. Like I mean when I look at bad mind prayer, I will pray for my friend them downfall and that time. I mean like real genuine prayer. And I just have a feeling from the year start, dog. Like I don't know if you ever see like a spaceship, brother, before a spaceship take off, you see it start shake like so and the smoke start come out. You know, see everybody just step back, because it's gonna lift off, And the feeling that me have from the year, bro. Like, but just feel like something I go on and I say, yo, every time I feel like I find the highlight of my life or my career, something else forward and surpass it, bro. I say, yo, boom. So since the last time, we always a dream about going on the road. It's like, stand up about passion. Love stand up. But me never know if people would come out to come see me and think, bro. You see me I say, and me always have my doubt and my
Man, I knew this nigga could do it.
Brother.
What?
Brother, me ain't know it to that go. And
brother, you name Socks in the to your bad G.
Cool, no, bro. Yo, dog. People, this is why we need real people around, Because I say to my people and what they say, you see, me no know Bobby Socks. Me can't see Bobby Socks.
Yeah.
Me can't see Negus. You understand? But Negus can't see me.
Negus can't see Socks, yeah, man.
Me can't see myself or people see me, bro. Like, it, me don't know, brother. I just not saw it work, my youth.
Yeah.
You understand? That's why when y'all look out, look in.
That's true.
You know what I mean?
That's true.
So that's why you need people around you. So when time I do the show, first of all, big up my team, big up my blood clot team. Ricky, Dirty Foot Bruce, Dirty Foot Tasma, and Dirty Foot Bad Soldier. I'm a team. Them dog there. Ricky said me do the show at Canada. And Ricky said, yo. Ricky remember the nights when we used to talk about actually doing stand-up. Me and Ricky in 2019, me and Ricky are the janitor. Right? We that work at the World Trade Center. We are map stairs, sweep up the place, map up piss, clean up shit off high ground, wake up homeless man, run them out at World Trade Center and stuff, cause we work overnight from 11 to 7. We used to do it, just me and him alone in that place some of my time. I say, Ricky dog, I stand up, I'm dreaming, bro, and whatever. And I say, bro, go out fight, whatever. So fast forward a few years later, went out, we do Canada. Then me have to fly me in Canada and then fly in Ricky. Big up franchise management too. And actually, I go back to Canada now, go do 6 shows, see him.
What the date? Them, let them know the date.
Canada, I don't know when this I got here, so all right.
I try to drop this next DR2.
Bad for that,
so
bro.
Drop the date.
All right, so Canada, May 15 to the 20, May 14 to the 20th, and we are do 6 cities. So we know we are do Edmonton, Regina, Calgary, Winnipeg, Toronto, and I think Niagara Falls. Big up franchise management. Is it me I say?
Damn.
February 3rd, franchise link. We say, if we can come do a show at Canada. I say, yes, we do go to Canada. We fuck up the show, bro.
Yeah.
Next thing me know, that's why people are supposed to do your best work every time. You don't know who are watching, you know. Them say me if we go over there and for do 20 minutes, we do an hour up on the stage and then just look for me different. No, 6 shows, 6 cities, constant movements.
Easy.
Ricky see the maths and Ricky said, no, brother. To show you go, brother, some know see you, my friend them genuine. Remember, you know. Normally, when you go with your friend and whatever, and your friend do something, you want to catch the moment, take a picture, take a video. Mm-hmm. Ricky and my brother from them time, the bro, and Ricky didn't even remember if he take a picture, if he record me set, if he do nothing at all.
That's last in the moment.
The man, I said, me see every time I look over, Mr. Ricky and fall like saying, "Dawg
say, yeah, man, I hate this man. We are the road,
brother, as the man reach back on New York, man say, yo, no man, sucks. We're going to put on the show in New York. I put on 2 shows. I say, brother, I don't think we can pull out the crowd. Man say, yo, tap fucking nice. I say, brother, I don't think we can do it. Man say, all right. Well, all I do when they see me drop a flyer them with your face pan or something like so, all I do don't guys show. Mm-hmm. You need people like that, brother.
Yeah.
Definitely. When you can't see it and them see it, you need people like that, bro.
Me keep one thing, I totally agree with what you're saying. Because as much as I don't like it, I still accept it. People say, yo, Negus, you're so humble, bro.
Yeah.
Because I don't see myself as who them see me as, bro. Me just a regular youth, bro. I still feel like the regular youth I used to live at Portmore in a 1-bedroom.
Yeah.
I mean that, brother.
Yeah.
But I just me that. So when the people them say, yo, dog, where, and I'm not as excited as they are.
Yeah.
It probably look, I don't know if you look away, but I say, respect, big up myself, my G. You see me, like, so I understand, bro. But when me I tell you, my G, all of my dog them talented, and I can tell you this about Sax, this nigga gonna go far. I think it was the episode before the last one was shot. Cause the second one was shot, the first one was shot was at my yard, second one was at Demarco Studio, and the third one was at the Culture Studio. But you see the one we shoot at Demarco Studio, I'm gonna say, yo, bro, this nigga gonna be a problem. Go back and watch it. I said, this nigga gonna be a problem. Sax, bad. I'm not part waste people.
True.
Bad. The whole of my dog them talented. Brother, I said the dog of New York.
Yeah.
Man say, yo, play that back.
Yeah.
Man say, make it play. Then man say, yo, DJ. Man say, yo, I'm gonna tell you something. Don't fuck the slow music. Slow music equals slow picnic. Buckler Down syndrome setting for your mama.
Hey, dance. Hey,
Bad.
Hold on up, man. Fuck up. No.
Bad.
You know, say, me not just want, first and foremost, Negus, seen. A long time, no, I'm gonna talk, mate. Fuck off.
Come in the fuck green.
No. I heard you tight. You're good.
You fuck
Negus. No, but I seriously with the bad one. Tap nice, my youth. Sure. A long time, me not get like as excited for do a show. First and foremost, I'm glad say you could have be a part of it, bro. I'm glad say I could have my dog did it for like the stand up side and me see him where like so, bro. And not only that, the dog not only do what me know the dog could have do, but even raise the bar higher. When me tell you say, Negus put pressure upon me, like, and this I don't, we humble whatever, fuck all of that. But enough time I do some show, I see line up already, I just know it's all right, brother. I'm good. Like, it's not at all for worry about it. I got us good. I stay so, you know. And I say me I watch Negus, you know, bro. I tell you so my heart a race. Like a long time. Like, you know, I don't know if you know a feeling where like it's either you're both to go run or you're both to go fight or something like that.
Yeah, like anxiety.
Like,
turn up.
Like I when I do so like a neck I start tip up a weird like, yo, me say Negus drinking anything. And me say me see dog just I don't lock down a little bit like so. And Negus still Imara just decides so you see this. I feel me blood clot place this. I go show you know when me do I feel me place. Brother, me say, yo, it all out there that Negus place I show dog. Negus say, yo, me I do 10 minutes. After about 40 minutes pass, you know, brother. Yo, what I time, me stay so. Me I try. Negus.
Man, a flash light.
Yeah, man, yo, we are flashing light like that. Give me signal. We see our flashing light. We give you signal. I see Negus is and turning back to the light. So like so, and start to this kind of people. I say, yo, put it low, you know. Hey, yo, brother, hey. When me tell you, say, yo, dog, brother, Negus, was so fucking happy, proud, scared, nervous, like every emotion, dog, like me I feel one time. I say, yo, like, how the fuck me if we go match this energy? Like, brother, yo, when me tell you, say, like, the man command the road, brother, the man no care when you say, he must say it, and the man just lean up one side like so. With the talk of phone, I just decide to go listen. And the people, them are dead. I mean, just look at it like something. I say, yo, why the fuck me couldn't go before so that we can really enjoy this? Because I know me have to enjoy, but me still have to afraid. I say, bombo clat.
Bro, this I thing. Because I understand the type of crowd where sax pull is a crowd where appreciate the rawness. Yeah. Them appreciate the authenticity. So, me just let go and be myself. And it work. Because, bro, the dog have the support of the people. You have them, bro. Trust me. You 100% have them. So me see how Sax present himself online, the type of content him create. This is what him people love. Them love the rawness. Them love the realness. Them love the edginess. We do show with other people where they have to tip to and don't curse and everything. Yeah. So we do a Sax show now.
Yeah, bro.
So at the same thing with him too, make it, bro. I'm gonna tell you this. Ask anybody who did that at the New York show there. Both of them. Brother. Sax. Brother. You talk about come on in room. I say go I'm gonna tell you this. You see we have people who rate you. I say go. Cause him I say the same thing about me. I say the same thing about him. Bro, this nigga got the room like this, bro. Like this. I mean I say, boom, look on my dog them. You ever see a dog?
Look pa my dog.
You ever see a dog them accomplish some things there? I say, yo.
Look pa my dog them.
I'm a dog them.
Brother,
I'm a dog.
Brother, and the energy was undeniable. Negus respecting me, brother. Brother, dog. Let me tell you, say, brother, I be a laugh and smiles, dog. And let me tell you, say, like, all of we people them did it, dog. Like you can't tell who know who, how long or whatever. I just true natural energy in a building, brother. Big up New York, big up everybody who followed out for come support. Big up the whole Mud Gang, big up Imara Nation. Yo, my friend them, brother, me say, yo, we used to go look pa my dog them.
Look pa my dog them.
Brother, alone laugh and hold up a cup in a ear like so and say, big up the people them. And I know you say that top, we are turn up the scheme, bro.
Yeah, man.
We are go with it, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So we fuck up New York.
Florida, no. So Canada next for me.
Mm-hmm.
Canada next.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna fuck up Jamaica. We're gonna fuck up Sashi.
Sashi, yeah.
We're gonna fuck up Sashi show. But you see when we come back in our place, you see Florida, me say me a yiball Florida like so, you know, bro.
Yeah, man. Have it near sites.
Yo, we are Schoolport, Florida like so, you know, bro. And it's spotted there right to start zoom in, see me, and we are calculate the wind distance, everything, you know, bro. And we are yiball Florida, you know, me.
Florida, I think Florida need to be Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Brother, is either that or we do one night where we go for
a big show.
Big show.
Yeah, man. About $2,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can do that.
It's one big night, brother.
We can do that.
And we just fuck up the town because you see, people, we cannot wait. No people say if we post a video them or whatever. We're going to post clips and stuff. We cannot give away the whole set and whatever. You understand? We're trying to keep the integrity of content. You see me? I say, we don't want to ruin the experience. So,
you know what I think? Mm-hmm. In regards to that footage, instead of, Because each of us, we all of it did have banger. But instead of giving away much of each people's set, how about we take a little bit from each people and put it in one video? What do you think about that? Instead of do like 40 seconds of sax material.
No. Oh, okay. Oh, be honest,
you put like 15 seconds of sax, 15 seconds of Negus, 15 seconds of Marcus, 15 seconds of the other youth.
Yeah,
and do that for the tour. Instead of giving away much of each individual's content. What do you think about that?
Definitely. That makes sense. We just put some shit together like so. We just give a summary of the event.
Pretty much. Yeah.
You see I say? You get the energy, you see the vibes, you see the whatever. You see I say? That bad.
But also that's like real and truly, I kind of regret putting out 2 video of my
You have to be careful with that.
Yeah, I kind of regret it. But at the end of the day, social media kind of different from the real world. So some people might see it, but I don't think majority of the people see it. Because I do it in New York and it work.
Right.
You see me? But yeah, for the youth, I do them things stand-up comedy-wise, try to retain your content as much as possible. You're just like an artist, you know. You're going to perform that joke many times in many different locations. So just don't put out as much as possible.
And the thing is, if you understand it, it's always a gift and a curse. So sometimes you have to give if you get, you know. Is the man so like you might have to give one of your best joke, but it'll go far.
And it's going to bring more eyes to you.
True. And for a couple things, for one, it forces you to get better. You understand it? Make sure so you cannot get content and lazy. That's one of the biggest mistakes where creators, entertainers, people in general make. Complacency. You get comfortable. That's dangerous. So if you stay so sometime, like some show me do me general, my best joke or my closing joke, we use it in the beginning. And I say, oh shit. What the fuck am I going to do now? It just forces you. Sometimes I flop and whatever, but the thing is, it forces you to get better. True. You know what I mean?
True.
And if you have to post some content and stuff, post your freestyles and stuff. Post like some wholesome moments or just a moment where
crowd work.
Yeah, because one thing about Fui people, them too, you know, Negus. Fui people, them, you know, enough of them never go to a comedy show yet before. And them get so excited, and because we are so down to earth, because energy is fucking real, bro. You can feel real people. You see me? I say?
Yeah.
Sometimes you say something, and people start set things back to you now.
Which give you more material.
It give you
more
power.
time to. Like, you see me?
It give you...
We are performing the people that must say, yo. Like, see, I say some people are piggyback off it. But say, yo, you can respond and say, go in more material.
And you can just go up on a whole new tangent where even a thing about like so. And it's just like, yo, people, the Mud Shop Comedy Tour, forward into a city near you. All right, actually, we pencil out it, find the details later on. But Florida, brace for impact, you know. Place I get dark.
Problem.
Place I get dark, you know.
Problem, man.
Negus,
Problem.
we go fuck up the ground. And when we understand or when we rate, bro, we have healthy competition or healthy bad mind or whatever, you know. Whatever you want to call it.
It's the bad mind thing. Socks have a little thing where him saying bad mind in friend them. But, we're going to stop this real quick. I don't want it done over 30. But I'm going to say this real quick. Bro, that a facts. You need healthy competition. That will make you grow and me grow tremendously. I'm going to tell you this. You see, Socks is a youth where he may joke a lot about certain things I call bad mind. Just clarity.
Me clear.
Me not pre that and pre seriously and say, I wonder if that youth a really bad mind me. Me no sense, no farmer, hatred, no but yo, them youth here. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Them youth here come like my brother. No, not come like them man. I'm my brother. Bro, rating star, no brother.
Rating star.
I'm tell you about G.
My dog them, bro. Come on, man.
Watch my dog them.
Yeah, so
I'm
just to
brother.
clarify that for people who don't know me, because every time you do something, yes. When you actually hear me, I say bad mind or whatever.
I know really.
I know that is actually my way of giving compliment and praises to my friend. We see my friend do something good. What do you ever say Negus, and Negus look like a little bit like in big up and tick up and whatever. I'm just say, yo, Negus, but bad mind, bro. I'm come over here and sit down. When I come over and sit down, I see Socks big, so I say, no, brother.
Get bad mind, bro. Bad mind.
Get bad mind. I get understand? You understand? time I see my bread in yard style and cook and things same way.
Yeah,
Whatever,
man,
I say
yeah,
yard
man,
style, the food look salt, yo.
Yeah, man.
To your brother. Peas, they look tough. Yeah, I mean, you're a bad man, my bread in the to you, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't circle people, I just links. I just your dog them on the link, on have a cohesive relationship. Cause you need that. You don't want nobody will really compete with wickedness in them heart.
People really bad mind, I tell you. Me I grown every day, I say, you know, some bad mind because you just get like you show that, hey boy, yo, bye. Come on, bro. People with bad mind, I tell you that them one day for worry about. One day we see Neva clap, then us doing us like so. They always did it now, show no support now, clap not at all.
See there now. See there. We saw a girl left, right, and center. 7 days a week and twice on Sundays.
Big up the whole Imara nation and big up the whole mud gang.
Whole mud gang, big up the... Yeah, I'm going to say this real quick before we go into the real thing. So I last props me again.
Oh, yeah, man. I
give too much props for you night. Yeah.
Bro.
Mud gang. Big up mud gang. Mud gang make me feel like family.
Big up mud gang.
Yeah. New York. Me never want for nothing in New York. I want to go to the corner store. I want to go this, I want to go yes, sir. Man, them say, Negus, say the word. Mud gang.
Mud gang.
Big up the whole bad soldier, Taz, Kino.
Lee Miller.
4 million.
$4 million funding.
4 million. I want to them.
Oh, yeah.
Inside joke.
Yeah,
if you don't know, you don't know.
joke. If you don't know, you don't know. But Lee Miller, go watch this. Lee Miller.
Big up yourself.
$4 million them for this, bro.
My dog them rich.
Yo, my dog them rich, you fuck. Especially bad soldier. The one there. Hey, the boy there.
Bad soldier.
Bad soldier rich, you fuck, dog.
Bad soldier pocket different. Bad soldier have a transformative pocket. Them on the pocket does transform and evolve like Pokemon.
Yeah, man.
Bumbo
Yeah, man.
clot.
Yeah, man. All right, I know. Bumbo clap. Big up Imara nation. Big up everybody who's still there. So
Yeah, man. Big up Mud. Big up Imara nation.
All right, I know.
But let me say this real quick.
Go through.
Bro, continue the way I do, brother.
You to me general.
Rate you.
Yeah,
I rate this nigga. Yo.
People ain't gonna see, but them know.
Yo.
Them know.
Brother, from the first blood clot. You see that first day. You see one thing? People have negative things for talk about liquor. But a liquor, me and them man are ban over liquor. Or they on the blood clot patio. Them time my mother did in town for visit. Them time my mother live in Florida and she come visit me. And she did, and from my mother like you know, you're good with me, you know.
Yeah.
From my mother like her mother
Mama
said,
knows best.
Yeah, mama knows best. My mother like Sax, take to Sax, and you know, she ask him question and Ray. First time I meet him. But the energy did so real, brother. I say this, brother, from them time till now, my G, I have nothing but I hopes for you, brother. And hope and not even knowledge. Because you hope it happen. Me know it gonna happen for you. So I well want to see it. Not hope. Me not use hope. Hope and faith and knowledge. Me know you gonna get to that big level there, brother. Because that we are work for right now. Anybody who they run right now, them hard working. And this motherfucker right here, I'm telling you, just like I said on the podcast before the last one, this thing is gonna be a problem. You hear that? Netflix, soon forward.
Yeah, man, yo, don't do all like them bumbo.
So, yo, toxic time now. Let's chat some fuckery now. Sax, I'm gonna ask you something, Zane.
Read him.
Sax,
Go through.
you ever take a girl from a man yet and she do you the same thing what she do to her ex-boyfriend?
All right. Me I go say no.
No.
Because like any girl me take from them, man,
You not take them serious.
we can't take them serious.
Well, me did young and full. Bumbo clot.
We'll put our next lesson by the board for you.
Put a next step. Me need a customized video, bro. I gotta pay for that one there. Me need a customized video. Brother, me take the blood clot girl from her man, you know. See? As a short boss. You don't know, say, as a short man, if I put in more work for the girl, you know. You have to talk more, you have to make them laugh more, you have to fuck them way good.
Yeah.
As a short boss. So I go say, man, take the girl, some things, everything good. G.
Okay, yo.
No, my
Big
G.
up the girl little.
Yeah, man, big her up. She teach me a valuable lesson in her life.
Yeah.
Don't trust woman.
Mm-hmm.
Negus, you're supposed to be smart if you know, see, yo, if you go to take her from her man, she'll do you the same thing. I was a boy.
Come on, things are sharp, you're sharp, youth.
Yeah, I'm
Think
a
for your
sharp.
star.
Take me a Gillette.
Yeah, hey.
Eh?
Mm-hmm. Hey, fuck, big up the girl there.
Yeah, man.
You know, so that's why every time I see no video or a story where a female hurt a man, I say, yes, mama.
You create a monster.
Yes. And the thing is, you know, is either you're going to become a monster or you're going to just become a little swims, a little swarms, a little fucker, man.
Can't mean that.
One out of two. You
Can't
see me,
mean
I
that.
say?
Brother, monster.
You early you can get your heart broken. Yeah, man. So all I talk about this when I get a girl or whatever because you're afraid of go look girl. Because Negus, me used to afraid to, you know.
Yeah.
Me would chat big and brawly, so Negus, me used to go home. Me used to practice for kiss pan them part of me and them knuckles out or so. Practice for kiss, you know. Bite up.
Remember they tell me, I say, bro, what?
Oh.
Talk to them, socks.
Oh, me used to get the water buckle and bite you up like so I make it look like lip and kissy. What you say, man? And practice for talk to girls. Pretend say, Imara this one girl. Rehearse my lines from top to ground. See girl and my heart start race. Me I hear my heartbeat. Me I have my hand, me glass sweat. No know if you don't know. And me just fuck up the whole line like so. And the girl just look like, ew, ew. Get your heart broken, bro, and become the real you, brother.
Yo, ain't nothing build character. Like when a girl step on your blood clot heart.
Mm-hmm.
Gentlemen, young man, them will follow me because people, men from all ages follow me.
True.
So me I talk to them. Even some of the big man them can take lessons from me. Because no phone right now. Me and Socks fuck more girl than Uno in our lifetime as big man.
Okay, I show me name in that mixer, brother. They say you, man. Yeah, brother.
No, if I with my friend too. Remember, I with my friend too.
Alright,
so as some big man, me watch a video with you and a man I say, yo, a lot of grown niggas don't even fuck past 10 bitches. And that's true. Like, I'm sad for that.
10 girl.
10 girl, brother. 10 girl is a blood class summer. Plus some. So it's like, when you go to someone in a position there, bro, it build character when a girl step on your heart.
Yeah.
And pit pan it.
Yeah.
And I squat and piss pan it.
Yeah.
Because you see, in the next 6 months, make sure you say you got a gym, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Make sure you got a gym. Make sure you get good sleep. Eat good food. Make more money.
Make more money.
Status is key for men. Women born with them value. We have to work for our value. So when you see me and Sax a fuck be a girl, just know so we have to put in the work for that.
Yeah, man.
When a girl a fuck be a man, all she have to do, I just go so.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it.
Nothing she have to do.
Nothing just exists.
Yeah.
So the work of me and you put in, if we get to which part we there, if we can fuck all sort of girl, different variety, it took a lot of time. It took a lot of effort. Yeah. So don't bad mind the thing.
Get your heart broken.
Get your heart broken, bro.
You big up all that wicked. Yo, I love the wicked girl. You see? You know when I started, bro? Me don't go the wickedness to wicked girl, bro. You see me?
Yeah, I can't hurt a nice girl.
No,
before
man.
so, I go sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't hurt a nice girl. I can't do it.
Brother, my youth. We make a good girl them get when a dog, like literally like me say, babes, I promise you say you don't want this. And one thing, ladies, let me tell you this too. Stop take everything. Is it just like how the man say, oh man, like take no? Like how a man will look a girl and the girl say no and the dog say I play hard to get and the dog still a try. The girl them do the same thing to you know?
Of course.
Because I mean, I don't know if whoever fortunate enough to know this, but you know. I see some girl already I might tell the moms and say, yo lady, you do not want this trouble in her because you see, it's very easy to love me because you get everything in a one. You want jokes, me a comedian. You like badness, me a bad man. You like gun, we a gunman. You want somebody we can introduce to your family. Hello,
hi,
good
nice
night,
to
ma'am.
meet you guys.
Good night, sir. Me nah sit down till you tell me so me can't sit down. Me get up, me take up my plate, me take up a few people and play like so. Me I wash a plate.
Yes,
like,
yes.
Me can play any role,
Any role.
like me versatile or fuck. So me stay somewhere and then to make it worse, my cocky big so. You understand? So me I talk to a girl. I talk to her, me I say, yo, moms, you're such a good girl, like you're too good for me. Girl, come talk about, oh, me a big woman, me can
save the dog, save a while.
I save me, I try to save brother, but some girl, them not
understand.
No.
You know what? I take a girl along for a ride one time. You know?
Yeah, man, sometimes I'm sure me tell you.
I tell you, man. I take a girl along for a ride one time. I'm tell you this, man.
Tell us it now.
Because me personally, I'm gonna tell you this, bro. I've been with more women that have them man than who single.
Negus, say that again.
I've been with more women that have them man, meaning them in a secure relationship.
Yeah.
Them locked down, but open up for me. Zin? So that does a few things for me. For one, it make me trust woman less. But I still enjoy the company of these women.
Yeah.
Even to this day. But will I take her serious? No. We're going to have fun. But here are now, people. So, will you tell me for repeat while ago, Sax? Say it one more time.
Yeah.
We asked me for repeat while ago.
Oh, me for repeat the way you say?
Yeah.
Oh.
Come on, I dive back in the
Negus say he has been with more women that have them man like them in a relationship than single women.
Reason why I do that is because I feel like I get more respect. I'm going to get more. I get all of the good things and no stress. The man will lock down with that blood clot. Him get everything. him get the good things that me I get, but him also
Him didn't even get it like how you get it.
And that's the thing too. Because bro, it's the first, no, I'm not lie. She wasn't the first. But me talk to a married woman one, bro. This bitch was nasty, Sax. Me spit all
Mukbang.
Me spit all my girl mouth, you know. Two. And she just look at me and go, boom, I swallow that blood clot. I say, social media is very nice.
You ever woke up and want to make a spit in the hand and box her?
That is new. I've never done that. That is new.
I don't know for your woman. And the girl go home to him, man.
Alright, this song.
Yes. See the fatty, see the. I need a fat girl tonight, fatty.
A nastiness get me. And you know what go on? As much as they are so strong, I know everything about wicked girl them, the more nasty a girl is, I more we fall for your nastiness. Not you, you know. I know you me love, you know.
Nastiness.
I nastiness.
Like the muck.
Yeah, the reason why me actually I do things to you and I call back, me not love you, me not care about you. But the nastiness, me love that. And my friend that, the nastiness.
Yeah, man.
You understand, brother? Yo, me have some girl, well, long time ago, you know, brother. Where? The girl like get any blood clotting she want from me, and me not love her.
Just because of the muck.
The muck.
I'm right there with you, bruh.
Ladies, be nastier.
Bro.
I'm me say this one later. Ladies, the nastier you are, the richer I am. You hear me? The nastier you are, the richer I am.
Oh.
Okay.
And then in return, what that make you, booby? Oh.
One thing about richness, you know, bro. Richness is contagious.
Oh. So you fuck with a nigga? Check your bank account later, mama.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nasty.
Me just like girl will cheat. When girl cheat,
Love a wicked girl.
mama, it show me say you really like me.
Exactly.
You have your life your life is already it's catered to how you want it.
Yes.
Right? But you think that's all you wanted. No, mama, you wanted me as well. And I'm glad that I can be a part of your wants and needs.
Yes.
I'm glad to assist.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But this is what I like with some of them girls. Them get too egotistical. Them a move like man. Being a man say, man, if you have enough girl and girl in a bungle. If you have your man already, you're only supposed to have one man after your man. You see, if you have 2, 3 man after that, man, I like you again. The
Real
attraction just gone.
A real talk.
You tell them same man the same thing you tell me.
Come on, man.
No, mama, man, I like that.
Them moan the way you give me your moan for them like
Yeah,
that.
moan for them man too. No, mama, man, I like that.
First thing, you're lucky me even allow you to have your husband.
You're fucking right.
You're lucky me even allow you to still have your boyfriend.
You're fucking right.
You want to come past the place and get more other man?
Yeah,
Hey.
you call them bae, just like how you call me bae.
You give them nickname too?
You send them pussy picture and video and pussy video.
It's
how you
same
said
video where you send me. Cause them girl no fuck for forward video. You know?
Good. I'm glad they said that.
Them girl no fuck for forward. And me tell you, me know this. Dirty thinking, Tasmo. That's my brother. Tasmo bad man, you know. Yo, you see every girl will like me once in find out say girl like me. Tasmo fly down bad to see if she like him too.
Run
you know.
in.
Hey. A long time ago, this be link up and connect up, you know, bro. You see me? She say, yo, she a forward in night town. She go fly in, you see me? She go build on the avenue for about 3 days. You see me? I said, no. Me I tell Tasmo, say, yo, bro, you can't come link me this weekend now. And you think about Tasmo now. The dog bad mind is so strong. Him want to know why he can't afford to give me a link. Me I said, don't worry about that, bro. No, me still I go forward if you don't tell me the truth. I said, wow. All right, I be a fly. Ush me. Hey, see from the stairs, I show a dog IG. Next thing, me look now, me see mutual friend gone up by one. Hey, boy, Tasmo follow that. I think to see you, you don't know, say. Fast forward. Fast forward. A few hours later. It's same pussy video where a girl send me. The girl send Tasmo it too. And if you make it worse, you want to she did send me the bush up. And I don't want to she send Tasmo it.
Shave. That is what I don't like. Mama, if you cheat with me alone.
Yeah. You don't get none of my friend them the pussy. Especially no Tasmo.
Even strangers. Me don't give a fuck, brother. Me just need to feel special.
Yeah.
No, do that.
And with strangers, my brother, give strangers.
Yeah, strangers, it better. It's better with strangers. I'm not gonna lie.
Because your bridge never go make you note, they never make it better.
Yeah. You think you alone should like socks? Watch
brother. Yo, that might make yo.
I bet you never know say her birthmark there on her pussy.
Yo, brother.
I bet you never know say her birthmark there on her pussy. Eh? Cause when she send it, it's bushy. Look how she send me on it. Yo. Shave.
Brother. Yo, and you think of that at? I swear to God, a true story this. Make me show you. When me know say girl, I mean maybe no girl wicked, but me just sometimes it's still surprising. She has sent her pussy go give me bridging a one thing, brother. One time I text the girl and I say, what you do? She say, yo, she just done clean up a place and done cook. I say, where you cook? She send me a picture of food. You don't know, say Tasmo send me the exact same picture. The same plate, the lettuce still over there, so the chicken food there, so and the rice and peas. The same plate of food where she send me. She send Tasmo.
But I have to stop talk to a girl, bro. I'm not lie. But you like that girl, you know. Instagram just brings some interesting girl coming in my life, brother. You understand? But me have to lower her alone, bro. Mm-hmm. You know, said me and a girl close friends. And me say the girl, she never send a pussy picture still, but you see, she talk to me, I the same way she talk to another man when I close friend, and she post it on a close friend. I say, ooh, bitch,
wicked girl.
If it was a pussy picture and it was a friend like Tasmo, I may see it, would have hurt even more.
Hey, dog,
it hurts as a stranger, but I understand with a friend it hurt. A blood clot girl, and she said, me and my brother, we follow each other, big pussy girl,
and you know because you meet me and Tasmo the same time on the internet. So you know,
wicked enough.
And the girl still go come tell me, say, I really me, she's not no jankro, and she want to settle down, and she want to take her serious and whatever. And she say, yo, Negus, watch it now. You know you all your friend, you know. You know who would I do what in a certain situation. From your guy high school, Tasmo take a whole like girl when me like, you know.
I don't say true Tasmo tall.
Yeah, boy tall and him can dress.
You don't say all and him can dress.
Yeah, true.
I really and truly, you know. Tasmo. I just straight tall, brother.
In the shop.
Tasmo. I tallness I work for you.
And that alone, brother. And you look for fuckery dressing.
You see me and Socks now for work.
Yeah.
Cause Socks ugly, you know.
Yeah.
Socks ugly and me short.
Necessary, bro.
I'm joke. I'm gonna tell you this right now. My bad mind are Socks too, cause Socks little taller than me, you know. Bad mind, you fuck.
Hey, and
anybody who taller than me don't like them.
That is it. Bad mind.
Me hate to know.
Bad mind.
Tall people know the manners.
Yeah.
Tall people will fuck with you.
Yeah.
And when you get vexed and take it to the next level, they might tell you to be the bigger person. How about you go suck your mother?
Suck your mama. Yeah.
That is physically impossible.
Yeah.
Bumblewall.
Fuck you.
Tasmo.
Yeah.
And that's because you're tall, bro.
That's
the
all
girl them here 6 feet.
You know, I've nothing over me, Tasmo.
The girl them here 6 feet and start get Gigi.
Yeah. And the thing is, you know, in another category besides like looks, maybe dressing and height, Tasmo can't hold me in another category, bro. Because you see, I'm sure you know say Tasmo, yo, me hate the boy that you know. You know, saying at 2021, one girl linked me up on a fake page and say, yo, me need to send her 5 bills or I should go leak my cocky picture. And me say, hey girl, my cocky in the word 5 bills, leak that and make sure you tag me. You see me?
Yeah.
Few days later, Tasmo cocky picture get leaked. So,
boy, Tasmo here the girl say, I'm gonna leave Socks picture. Man say, give me a WhatsApp number. Leave that one or two. I'm boy Tasmo with your bum buckle.
That's a different level of bad mind.
Listen, hey, Are you friends with Socks? Are you friends with Socks? I'm gonna leak his picture. Which picture you gonna leak? I'm gonna leak his dick picture. All right, give me a WhatsApp. I'm gonna send you one. Leak my one too. Hey boy, Tasmo.
Yo, I swear that I say, yo, what I'm friend them bad mind, you know?
Bad mind.
Yo, because the dog see, you can leak my machine, you know. And then I start getting some new girl, you know, because girl start coming and say, Bumbo Cloud, Socks, that.
Yeah, man.
Know.
Problem.
All of a sudden, Tasmo, I go leave him upload it. Yo, hey boy, Tasmo, lift up, bro.
Yo, I'm telling you this right now. Boy, Jaja, mighty Jesus. Me give thanks to Instagram.
Yeah.
Social media, give thanks.
Big up social media.
Most of girl is from Tala Socks. Me never, I'm not gonna lie to you. Most of girl is from them time till now.
Yeah, man, me tomorrow. Longer time.
Too fucking lie.
Jaja, you know too? Alright, bro. Sorry.
But me just say,
Yeah.
this nigga is the nigga. I'm gonna parry the waist, man. And him not parry the waist, man, neither.
Not at all.
When you see we in your hometown, just know a problem.
Hey.
2 syllables. Problem.
Jamaica.
Bumbleclad.
Sashi experience,
Jesus
the
Christ.
Sashi weekend, May 22nd to the 26th. We fully done so.
Me not nothing for say.
And you know what the worst thing? This is the first time the whole of we are going to dip on the ground one time.
One time.
My team, Negus team,
Problem.
one time.
One time. Problem.
We alone go fix the Jamaica economy. We alone. So one time we wake up and we can just speed on the road, car patrol disappear and water start running on the pipe and we don't have to drink the water look like mile no more. We do that in a one weekend. You hear me?
Andrew Wellness.
When you see here Jamaica come back, and we do that. You understand? We are going to fix the Jamaican economy with self. One weekend with the whole of my rich friend them. Hey.
That is it.
Bumbo clot.
That is it. That is it. Listen keenly. Andrew Wellness. Me and Bobby Sachs are forward at Jamaica.
True.
The 22nd
of
this month. Me need every patrol. We all on Mobile?
Yeah, I think so.
Me need every patrol from Mobile
to
Saint Anne. Cover up.
Yeah.
This instant.
Yeah, because you see, it talks them go forward, you know. And we go activate the beast, them, you know, because one thing, you know. House can skate on the toll.
House can skate. Talk to them, Socks.
You hear me say, man? House can drift.
House can drift.
House can go take up gal.
House can go through KFC drive-through.
House can go KFC, go buy gal things. Not tell me no fuckery, man. Andrew, we go need the road fixed because guess what? Me and my thugs them, we go have a $4 million upon this that you need for know. A $4 million upon this.
4 million.
Hey, here, I want to activate the beast them. Me don't need the beast them for your bunks all about because it's gonna spill me liquor.
Yeah.
So you don't need, smooth roads so that's me liquor don't spill.
That is it.
I will go activate that, you understand? I fuck me if I go fuck up Jamaica.
That is it. That is it. Let me tell you this. I can't wait because this is what I get a little taste of Jamaica. Some weeks ago.
Yeah.
About a month ago. And Jamaica is bro. When we go back.
Sweet jam down.
You Jamaican women, let me tell you this. You see, if I don't end up with a Jamaican woman in my life permanently, I have failed.
Yeah.
Me need a Jamaican women are top tier.
Yeah, authentic when you want to use a bush broom.
That is it.
You
I make sure them your veranda with a red something there with the blood clot coconut
and the red
yes
polish.
man.
I mean, me not talking liquid polish. I mean one way you have to squeeze you out a little bag.
That is it. That is it. That was the liquid one easy.
Yeah.
You have to squeeze it.
You get them, you know, you get them can ox out the coconut and coconut broke. Like you ox out and it's still circle.
God.
Like them get it out and it's still circle up, bro.
That is them girl there.
Talented. Balance the bucket of water by your head like so.
And walk with it.
And you just have casual conversation. You never remember say bucket up.
Yeah, just walk with it and just talk. Oh, good afternoon, Sacks. Good afternoon, Negus. And just walk with it. Yes, man. You get everything in my wallet, mama.
Everything.
That is it.
Negus, you know, me miss you guys Jamaica, what they say, you probably don't miss it. Me miss the jerk chicken where you can smell from like a mile away from out a dirty jerk pan. You know, pan where jerk man no wash. You have a look at bone in pan from about 6 months ago and he's still in apron dirty. In my wife behind dirty apron like so.
To be honest with you, I'm coming for the plane. We go straight to New Kingston. We stop at one gas station with a jerk man there, right across the road. And we go say, boom, man, we fuck up some jerk chicken, brother. And me I say, Sax, this is the most authentic yard food I've tasted in 40
bad mind right
years.
now, dog.
You know, for bad mind, cause we're gonna fuck up the place. In the next 2 weeks, we're gonna fuck up the place.
Well, for the next 2 weeks, we bad man. After that, we're good. We're reaching go, bro.
Bro, but it's when you reach a yard, brother. Sucks. And these bitches gonna
you get
throw
bread.
themselves.
You get bread with your chicken.
Bread. I do a
And
bread.
if 5 people hot,
Five people hot. If I have a blood clot napkin underneath it. Hot. So when I got there Jamaica before you, so when you're forwarding, if the dog them are forward for you, I want to know the time, because I'm forward with them.
Def.
Because we're going to eat some food, we're going to
Def.
drink some jelly, we're going to have some cans. I make nice.
We're gonna make Jamaica one thing that I want to apologize for. The nice are gonna go way up. We are gonna make whole heap of fucking nice. That much me do know. Anyway, you see me and my friend them. People are gonna either love we are here, we're not gonna be no in between.
Yeah.
See them gonna say, yo, yeah, but them dog, I'm gonna say, yo, get them hooligans out of so. Them delinquent, get them out of so. Yes, there's no middle ground because me now for Jamaica with nothing good in my intention. Yes, man. Yeah, me want to run up my sin bill and me just want to cuss bad word.
That bad.
Make nice. Me want to play some domino, brother. Can like, you know, long me not play domino pan like the authentic Jamaican table where like, we put the caramel pan and the domino can slide like.
You can hear the domino slide across the table.
And like you know, so the boy mark the domino in the broke and the boy pick the domino like side and say no mark, you know.
Yeah.
More cuss and fight and bridge them over domino.
One thing is whenever domino chip and it chip on a blood clot or 666, we not play domino with none of no.
Yeah, man.
We need some fresh, clean domino with no mark on it.
Matter of fact, me I gonna carry them on domino them.
Carry them down. Them
I don't trust none of them. Them are thief.
Them are thief, brother.
Yeah.
Them gonna mark it and put a little chip on it.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
You know, me need to, because me need some domino, me needs a loaded man.
Oh,
you know. I play domino too, but me more so a loaded blood clot person. Me like longevity. Me like how long the loaded game is. Like domino game, you play, restart, boom, 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 666 memory. But a game we are really in tune with, like loaded, you have 4 players for bringing. 4 players have 4 players for bringing. So that game they're gonna last a nice little time. And the intensity from this person, that person, I try getting with you. Like me like that. But that me know bad too.
Let me show you know say me can get along, you know. So Lodi, me like Lodi, but I don't really my style. Me just fuck around with Lodi. Me love that, me know. But me love draft. I remember say every Lodi boy they turn you upside down side.
Draft.
You remember?
Draft.
Me I talk about buckle stopper, stone, paper, whatever.
Anything.
We just need 12 of them.
Anything.
Brother, me feel like a genius. I go so like so, bro.
But I fuck up in some draft, you know.
No, Negus. That's what I like. This ain't even a bad mind talk. I promise that this is not the time when I be bad mind. Negus, I humbly say this. I'm going to say this humbly and respectfully. We blood clot killer in a draft. No joke about it. You can't walk near me in a draft. I want you. Yeah, a little boy for me in a draft. Me no lose draft game. Me body a fuck. I mean, I said that in the most humble way.
So Jamaica, we're going to play some
We are going to drink rum and play a draft and we go cuss bad word. You understand?
People, here Bobby Sachs, Negusimara.
Yes.
We're going to play some draft. This is the draft championship at Jamaica, or Jamaica. The 22nd to the 26th.
Yeah.
We're going to the same time. We're going to have one B&B.
A galshan.
And we're going to have a galshan. So, where say you can kill me in a draft?
Wake up. Yo, me I go fuck up Negus in a draft. And what I want to be my witness. I want to memorize this and remember good. Because I go show you. Negus, it time almost done, you know. His segment, you know. But just I say, we go fuck you up, you know.
We are circle back. I'm more here about saying now. We are circle back.
See there now. See there. We start a girl left, right, and center. And 7 days a week and twice on Sundays.
We had joke the whole podcast, but I know time for we get serious now. Zin? Sax.
Active.
When they call me what day, No, you never call me. You send me a message right there. And I always rate you from them time. But it's when you send a message, you come give me, bro. I say, you know, say, is it a youth here? Is a youth I'm going to be friends with for the rest of my life, brother. Because evidently, you're not on the fuckery. You don't like confusion and you love clarity.
Definitely.
Why did you link me, Sax?
All right. So, boom, a few days ago, I see. Thing I'm not like is mess. I open TikTok. First of all, I know me, it's not even.
See him. I don't like it neither.
I don't like it. And that's why you see you can't give fool people good things, you know, brother.
Damn.
Because you broke them bad and then you know how to act after. And this is not subs to the people don't want to mention after this. This is just like
it's just
across
general.
the board, just in general.
Yeah, just in general.
You understand?
And I'm glad I said that. Sorry for cutting you. I'm glad I said that because we as Jamaican, when you're talking about a situation, they will take what you say without no context.
True.
And put it upon the subject matter you're talking about, like you're speaking about these individuals specifically.
Right.
No. We're just being general.
Yeah.
Let's just get that out the way because I don't want to see no screen recording
Yes.
of Sax and Negus calling name and disrespect. No, we're not upon that. We are talking about a situation that's public.
True.
So
Yeah. So like for example, as me I say, you cannot give that good things. Just like a nerd, I look a waste man. If I get a waste man, will heap of money, you know. I'm going to be a rich waste man now with a lot more power, but him is still a waste man. I'm going to use the power to do waste man things. Right? TikTok, it enable a lot of people, bro. And one of the worst things I can do that is just enable fuckery. Me is a fucker, man, but it's a different kind of fucker me do. But real fucker me not keep up, brother. If you look, me as a joke with my friend them, anybody name me a call up, I'm a real friend them, brother. You look, we are share each other with a joke we make. You understand? And we joke, they might look harsh, but me know my friend them, I know exactly what I can say to which one of my friend them. Like Negus don't run mother joke. Right? So me not gonna say nothing about Negus mother whatever. But me tell Tasma if it's okay, mama. Because Tasma go tell me if it's something, and we laugh and gone and it's how we love and respect each other mother.
same way. What him say is right. Me no run mother joke.
Right.
But him run mother joke with everybody else except me.
Right.
Not saying that, oh, nigga come from block. Yo, nigga, cause I can't. No. The dog just respect.
Right.
Say, me no run no mother joke. Me no run no mother joke with him. Him no run no mother joke with me. But everything else,
Yes.
it's up for grabs.
Right.
Talk shit all day.
All day.
That's basically what I say.
All day. So no, not to get away from the subject. You ask me, tell the people why I'm link you with you.
Yeah.
When I say the thing boss with World Dawg and Hauto, I forward it to you. And I never just you forward it to my team, to every one of them.
You have to.
And I say, bro, if me I wanna ever have a problem, please, bro, call me. If we bake and whatever, make some time run off and then call me. Do not run to the internet first with nothing at all, because guess what? The people them who are listen, just listen for entertainment purposes only. They do not care about you, your well-being, or your safety. They do not care. When them people just are LMAO and I laugh up on something like so, brother, them don't know how serious it is, them no business, and just want them entertainment. And the cloud chasers just need a situation for comment pan. Those untalented, workless, bumblewall creators were out there with us did I use up oxygen for nothing at all. We can't come up with nothing at all for themselves. Them cannot wait for something happen for them take it and I run with it now and I twist this and I twist that, because that's all they have. Right? So me charge them, me tell Negus and all of my team, I say, bro, call me. We never above a phone call, bro. If you have a number, call we. You understand? You know, makes for one, it not look good as man.
Nah.
You understand, bro? I mean, never yet. When I grow, we used to see girl them do it all the time. Where soon as two girl fall out, me start hear everything about all like slackness and everything on keep up. You just start come out now. But
Everything bust out.
I say everything they good went out, one of the good.
Even when two of them do the same thing,
Exactly.
the one with the least amount of shame will come out and blast themselves just for blast you.
Right.
So two want to go up on a blood class slut mission. You and her fall out, she gonna call herself a slut and ruin you in the process.
Yeah.
Woman used to them thing there.
Yeah.
But now we say man
I
I move like bitch.
Yeah. And you know what the worst thing? And yes, like that's what I tell you about like a TikTok cast, because you see, remember, you know, when TikTok, some people see money now where them never see yet before because of the up there. Right? No. When you're not used to a certain thing and you start get it. When there's flashes or glimpses or hints of that thing being taken away, them say a drowning man will clutch at a straw. So now you start all your morals, them get bent, all of your line and boundaries get blurry, and you don't even remember who you really is because you're not think about that. You think about, oh shit, we get so accustomed to living this new lifestyle. If this guy, well, you want to see them saying and threatening for ban TikTok, I don't know if people start panicking. You know? Me not give a fuck.
No.
Me no business.
I'm going to tell you this. The government say, oh, TikTok, you are a breach to our safety.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to have to sell this to stay in America. If you don't, you got to get out. Joe Biden said, what? You got to get out.
Mm.
You not sell it? Bye.
Mm-hmm.
Enough people, Gigi, right now.
Right.
So they might try to grab and scrape everything with them can grab and scrape at this moment in time.
Mm-hmm.
And in the grabbing and scraping, I throw my dog on that boss.
Yeah. You understand? They might say, me so I watch a thing where they say, yo, the number one rule or unwritten rule of like life is self-preservation.
Yeah, man.
Is it me I say? And not everybody's strong enough to evaluate the situation.
True.
You see something go on, you start thinking about yourself immediately. You don't think about who the side you, who they in front of you, or whatever. The storm are forward, you know. Me and Negus probably would have make a much better team and increase the chances
of
surviving, you know.
Together.
Exactly. But, no. Fuck Negus. Me never tell him the storm come. First thing, me never button down my house in the daytime. Come on, this is me and Neil window like so.
Do that night.
Yeah, but at night, me on this one, Neil. And we probably I'll use some thumbtack. Come on, hear me and knock Neil over there, so. I'm going to come over there. You see me? And now, yours get fucked.
No. Being specific. No, we're being specific now. Yeah. When it comes to World Dawg and Hauto.
All right. When it comes to World Dawg and Hauto, first and foremost, I want to say big up the two dog them. Big World Dawg and Lava was the reason why I even started my thing on Instagram.
Really?
Swear to God, I tell Lava already, but I never tell World Dawg. When I started in 2021, I catch COVID. The military said I go on COVID camp. Is it me? I said them lock me in a room, I look a small room. Only thing I have on my phone.
I remember you telling me that story the first time.
And I chat and laugh. Me now watch you all the time.
Yes. Okay.
Be a chat and laugh reruns on YouTube. Big up Lava and big up World Dawg. And when I watch World Dawg, you know, I say, yo, the brother yeah, hilarious, bro. The way him talk, and the way he can tell a story and put a story together and can freestyle and whatever. I say, yo, when I watch Negus, I swear to God, I say, I see him somewhere that tell the story. I saw you if you tell story.
Facts.
I saw me watch him and say, the dog, yeah, bad. You see me, I say? Hauto. A few years later, I make a link with Hauto and thing. Or later down the line, Tikiana, big up Tikiana make a link with me and Hauto. One thing we didn't know about Hauto, big up all Hauto and him, big up Hauto mommy too. Because Hauto mommy rate me too and whatever. The dog him just clutch, bro. Him just humble and genuine, bro. And the dog just a try to do the right thing. That's all I know about Hauto.
But you see now, you see with Hauto, what I tell you earlier, I like when people call me humble. When people view you as humble mean people can step over you, step on you, step all over you. Humility is not something that's good. Humility means that you put yourself below the level that you supposed to be. You hear that? Hauto, you're a superstar.
Super
Hype.
clad star.
Hype. No. I understand what it means to be humble. And humble is not a good word. Humble means you're taking away from your essence. If you, Bobby Sachs, shine bright to the world, humbling yourself means you dim your light. That is what humble means.
Alright. We ask a real talk, but if you stick up in, me now go by the Oxford or the Thesaurus definition of humble. Me I go by the Jamaican culture definition of humble.
That's even worse.
No, hold on. No, me pint. Fuck off. Right? If a Jamaica, if me say, yo, me ignorant, or the somebody the ignorant, that mean the person is arrogant.
Yes.
Two completely different words.
True.
Means
Not lacking knowledge.
So ignorant means say you know lacking that you don't know about the situation. You do not know. That is what the actual definition of ignorance is. You do not know. But in the Jamaican culture, ignorant does mean you're dark and fool and dunce. Humble in the Jamaican culture, you know, mean belittling yourself. It just means say you're down to earth, and use the exact opposite of hype. You know what I mean? The actual definition means say you think less of yourself. Like you are below.
Okay,
That's what
okay,
the actual
okay.
definition means. So when I say I use the Jamaican definition, that mean. So that's what I would consider myself a humble youth.
Humble
But
youth.
I understand what you said too. But I just want to clarify that for the people. Now, Hauto is very humble.
Yes,
You
indeed.
see me? I say every time I talk to him and stuff, yo, even fast forward a little bit, I go jump round. When Hauto do rankers, Hauto link me and say, yo, Sax, me forward in your town, bro. I'm on your forward and jump in the episode. No. Me say, Hauto will make you link from your dad yard. You're that foreign now. And not only that foreign, you go forward in my city, my state, bro. Hauto, me no need nothing at all from you, bro. Just send me the look and me a skate the beast forward right over there.
That is it.
Me say, Hauto, what we are do? What kind of scene you give me? Man, I say, when you do like a gun scene. Me say, gun scene, no worry yourself. You don't even need gun, bro. You don't even need props, no worry yourself. Me load up your bag.
Bring up everything.
Show your bag around my shoulder like so. I just skate. I'm say, Hauto, see
Skate
matic
it
there.
is.
See matic. See gun there. See gun. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Because I'm so excited and happy and proud, me G.
Yeah.
You see me, I say? So now, fast forward now, me I look for Hauto and World Dawg. World Dawg is somebody I look up to. You see me, I say? We don't talk often, but we do talk from time to time. Leave Linky Dawg some advice for a long time. World Dawg, you're a giant in this, bro.
He is.
You're a fucking giant, bro. Just always remember that. You see me, I say, my G? Hauto, you're a giant in this too, bro. All of my friends are star. As a bigs. I'm ready to talk them. And you see, if the beef no reach a level where
Death.
when man start dead,
It not that serious.
it not that serious. When time me say man in a fuckery I go on, me want to go refresh me up and say, oh, the brother in a post for 2 weeks now, when there? And nobody don't know when there. Everybody start asking, when there? When last
Them beef, they're real beef.
At them beef, them want to say, if nobody now go blood clot disappear,
Blow it out.
if me now go refresh your page and say, yo, 17 weeks ago, your last post, nobody know hear from your people start ask, want to know your whereabouts? If I know them kind of beef, they bro, you can't talk it out, bro. And across the board, man, woman, child, if you are my friend, I'm going to tell you something in a confidence. And that's how you're supposed to dead. Under no circumstances should that forward out again. You know, you're not supposed to regurgitate that the information there, especially in a public pandemic. Because once something go on the media, you cannot take that back. Not only you ruin the image of yourself, you ruin the image of people who in a similar fields like you. You see me as people are going to start looking upon the culture as waste.
That's my biggest concern, bro. How people are going to view the culture. If the biggest influencers out of Jamaica who are utilizing this app have constant back and forth and negative energy, what are the outsiders going to say about us?
Yeah, they're going to write off the whole of
the whole culture based on you, World Dawg, being the biggest influencer from the culture.
You can dog a giant like brother.
World Dawg, you are a giant.
man a
Sax
giant.
agree and I agree. You're a giant.
Yeah.
And for a giant to be doing these things, it kind of reduces your effect. It reduces your giantness in the industry. It actually makes you a little boy. No. How you feel about what I'm saying right now, you probably can go up on your TikTok and say what you want to say about Negus. Hopefully you don't. But if you do, we're going to go back and forth until one of us dead. But I hope you don't because I rate you. Hopefully you rate me too. But I said this before you said Sax. But Hero, as a legend in the industry, bro, you should not be doing and saying these things. Don't do it, bro. You should be inspiring the younger generation of influencers we are developing in Jamaica right now. Actually want to do this. The younger youths them see it right now. One of my favorite creators them right now, Junior the Creator.
Big up Junior the Creator.
Yeah, man, big up Junior the Creator. One of my favorite creators them right now as a younger youth. Junior the Creator see this now. I see, so the Jamaican influence them now have no unity. Dawg probably not going to work with nobody. Eh? You and Hauto was brother. Sax, that's when I come like me and you fall out. I'm going to say, oh, Sax, Ray. And then Sax say, Ray. Bro, when you have a friend, the sensitive and the intimate details that you guys garner from each side, because World Dawg, I gotta tell Hauto things. Hauto, I gotta tell World Dawg things. And you don't know sensitive details about to know one another. When you guys come on the internet and display some savage behavior, what does that say to the people that we are rise up right now in the industry? Jamaicans are not to be trusted. And I will never trust none of y'all niggas. Not you, I'm a dog. But these niggas online can never hear me tell them nothing serious or pertaining to my life, bro. I will die first.
Real talk. From a little and I grow, my mother tell me, say, Marky, if me I drink sugar and water and you drink carrot juice, them cannot know unless me tell them. The toy walk up and down with belly full. You know, if you know say sugar and water with jugs in here and dirty and bug and something like that, and yeah, I drink blood clot carrot juice. I have to strain the carrot juice, whole heap of carrot juice, trashy. I've used the strain and then use one local shirt or something like so. Seeing? So, for all of the talks them, bro, we're bigger than this, brother.
Bigger.
And World Dog, want you look on where you're forward from, bro. Cause I remember when you used to have a look at tear up mass, brother, you know, up and say, tan. And from this, so, to make, remember one time, when the ads the dog eat most of the food from, you man have a million, now we delete all of them, you know. But yeah, man have a million ads.
Whole heap of ads. He made a video about that, saying him have ads before all of them, man. Before Gage make dung in your throat, him have ads for all of the dancehall artists, them. And World Dog, you're right.
Yeah.
Them youth, yeah, them come and see you.
Real talk.
World Dog,
I see you, bro.
World Dog, me, forward come see you. What is? 6 years now me I do this era. And me can honestly say this to you. Me can honestly say this to you. Me come see you. But it kind of make me look upon you different. As a youth, we come see you as a general in the thing. When now is a general in the thing. It's not a good look, my brother. And you probably disregard when Negus says to you, bro, we know each other. We have mutuals. Your family know my family. My family know your family. Because further my people them there. So Era know my people them. My people them know Era.
But
bro, but I can honestly say this to you. I never call you because it's not my place.
Real talk.
If I did you know,
yeah,
I feel.
I call him.
Yeah, but I call and say, facts, her. And you that call me.
Yeah.
But it's not a good look, bro. The whole world see you and Hauto and Swissly put on some of the greatest content in a short period of time.
Brother.
And for see you, I tell Hauto about him mother. You gotta tuck your gun in him mouth. Him big fat and stink. Him poop in him sleep.
I think it look good, my general. And World Dog are the one I dog them when we fought in game. I some of the love, because I know World Dog before you. Yeah. Some of the love for work with the dog because I just know say would have fuck up immediate because
of course.
My style and the dog style.
It's pretty similar.
It's similar as fuck.
And it dons.
It dons.
And it will take over
the internet. I would have blocked internet in the tree. I'm tell the dog like, yo, any dog, like check what I DM or just tell I mean answer DM on me link him. Say, yo. But tell the dog, I say, yo, I say any day, may you make a link, the world go burn down. I mean tell him. Because I know for me style, I know for him style.
That is it.
I would know I would have still love to work with the dog, regardless. You see me I say? But my G, you're bigger than all of this, bro. And just, brother, you're a giant, bro.
Giant.
Link your bridging them, and your bridging have a problem, bro. Link your bridging them half of the year, bro, and thing. You see me I say, bro?
Remember, brother, you're the man a G, you know. Them. If you're my brother from them time there, and you're a brother of a mother, remember I say, you're him stop talk. But she is still your mother.
She still love you like her picnic.
She still love you like her picnic. You think Hauto mother don't love you like how she love her picnic? Because of what you did for her son? The exposure that you gave her son? You think she not grateful? Now think about what you're doing and saying about her son that hurts her so much, brother. Bro, I just say this because me don't look on the small picture, I look on the bigger picture. I look on how did World Dog affect our lives. And me see. Now, me can imagine how World Dog affect Swissly and Hauto life. It's way greater than how you affect the people who are actually watching you. World Dog, Swissly and Hauto can actually reach out and touch you. But the people who are watching you, they must watch you. You are way more effective to Swissly and Hauto than you are to the people who are watching you. It's the people who you diss Hauto in front of. They don't give a fuck about you, bro. Not at all. Me know say if Hauto see you, I get gang. 10 man a beat you. Right now, even though you diss him, me know Hauto aga step in. Me know Hauto aga step in. I swear to God, brother. I mean, that's how me look at it. Sucks, if me and you fall out right now, you see if the fall out or me and you fall out, it no reach death. No man can this Sax a road and me see no blood class step in. That's why if me and Sax fall out, we probably not talk. And it not gonna reach us neither. We understand each other.
Come on, man.
But let's say we never understand each other, but it never that serious of a falling out. Bro, I cannot see you on the road. I get blood clot beat up and run in. I know the same thing for me. Me know Sax now go see me on the road. I get buff up and now run in. I say, pussy, what now do? A war, brother. Especially Atlanta. Yes, I with it, brother. A war, brother. A war.
Brother, we are a lot stronger together than we are apart, bro.
Apart.
It's a mess. And the thing about this, me just hope so whenever World Dawg say this, like him see it in its entirety and in its complete content.
And not no screenshot.
Because them people go screenshot and cut and crap and clip.
Yes.
And the thing is, World Dawg is an article youth. When he found him can reason with. Can watch him. World Dawg used to have this thing. I remember telling say, yo, me used to watch Dawg wicked. Me still watch Dawg. You have a thing when he say, yo, pre the levels. And he start touch and say pre the levels. And when he say pre the levels, yeah. When you say pre the levels, yeah. Am I gonna show you some real yo, some people, Dawg.
Yeah.
Yo. Some man I use that. Yeah, yo, Dawg. Like, remember good now, bro? Brother, are you near World Dawg, brother? Bro. Come on, man.
With the 2 podcasts with World Dawg. Zin, and I succumbs pretty done. Start this me. Because when look at I don't know if you did realize last year, one girl named Lee. What's your name again? Lee something.
If I TikTok, I don't know her.
Yeah, one fat girl. I don't remember her name. Lee. Something Lee. And people them tell me, look up Lee. I'm going to look up Lee. I'm going to say, I'm going to lock them laptop and say, you know, say when I'm pussy, moving the blood clot.
That hilarious.
Then I wake up the next morning and negusimara suck your mother. Negusimara, ray. I never diss nobody, you know. TikTok, I never diss nobody. I succumbs pretty than call my name because me do 2 podcasts with World Dawg. Because I never diss pretty than. Pretty than, how can you say I was body shaming when I did not comment on the girl body? You just call my name for disrespect me because me have 2 podcasts with World Dawg. Because I've never disrespected Pretty Dan in my life. Not saying I'm afraid of Pretty Dan.
Naturally, bro.
If I catch Pretty Dan right in my box in her face right now. 1 box, boom. A box in your face, mama. And you know that.
Hey.
But me just a say. Box that aside. Hero, you're a legend.
Giant, bro.
Jamaica wants to see greatness from you. Leave the little 2.5 people who watch your live. When you start call people name and pay more attention to the 1.5K, we actually want to see you talk positive things. The more toxic the platform is the quicker the platform is going to fail.
And the thing is, like me always say, just like how Carl telling forward and say, yo, if you're looking for Vibes Cartel to be an inspiration or whatever for your child, then you
already failed. Yeah, you already failed as a parent.
I mean, I always say, yo, we're screwed. But brother, we all influence people. Sometimes some people link me and I make me know I'm changing life. I mean, I say, this is dirty junk right? Me? Bro G. Just to stick up in. If it wasn't for chat and laugh and World Dawg, right? No, nobody always want to stand up, but me never did even think about content creating. That was never my eyes. All of them chat whiteboard video they want to love and something so much. None of them never in a mix or mats. I just want to straight stand up. Probably with me Instagram, however that would go. But when me tell you say me sit down and watch him and them and chat and laugh, and me say me laugh for real, bro. Belly full of laugh. Big LMA more, bro. I mean I say, yo, dog. This body, I say, it give me a fire in my blood, brother. And I say, I get up and I make 7 videos after that. I just a start out. I say, yo, bro, G, so like, you know, look good. If you see you in a daylight there, and then see you in a daylight, yeah. You're a giant, bro. You're bigger than all of this. And if you look from where you didn't know, from where you're forward from Jamaica, we hear your life story, because you're talking.
Yeah.
And you give me confidence to forward and tell you what I'm a life story them on the internet, no, brother.
You used to thief.
Come on, man.
Man beat you by Florida. Like them things that I'm telling you.
Come on,
it
man.
show you say, yo, the mere person
A good
from
youth, man.
blood clot anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
From Jamaica, where is a fucking dot on the map. World Dog, you teach we as Jamaicans that is a dot on the fucking globe. That we can be any fucking thing we choose to be. And this is how you choose to represent yourself, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Brother, you're a fucking king, bro. Remember that. You're a king. 80% of these influencers that are rising up in Jamaica look towards you. Remember that.
And
Remember that.
big up yourself, World Dog.
Big up yourself, era.
Big up X-Gang same way to X all if them best. Lolo Potella, big up all of them. Is it me?
Lolo, got barber, brother.
Yeah,
Lolo,
man.
you need
Lolo
to
ugly
go.
too, brother.
Lolo, you need to go barber on a regular, Lolo. Shave up your line,
Yeah.
shave up your beard, your mustache, everything, please.
dog.
Lolo, you look homeless.
Yeah, dog, and cut off a ear too, bro.
Cut off a ear, brother.
let
Your
the
ear start right after
yeah,
Lolo.
brother, real talk, bro.
Lolo, your hairstyle like
Yeah, bro, cut that all, Lolo. Lolo, I'm going to But when we want
Lolo,
to
I'm a dog, man.
the last thing we want to say, bro,
Yeah.
nobody now got dead, nobody not get killed. We don't have to bring no gun talk to a friend them or we know son of bad people. And that now, me know as a gunman, brother. And that I think now when me, the part, you know, brother, they don't bring no gun talk to Hauto, my you. Come, brother.
Out of all person.
Come on, brother. I thought I was going to have some food and laugh, brother, rubbing belly. You understand, brother? Don't bring no gun talk to man, you know, son of gunman, brother. You see me, I say, bro?
Me and a blood clot
Unnecessary,
gun, man, but
brother.
me have gun. America is a place where for you have your money, you can have any amount of gun you have. And you want, I mean. Ato, you're being a bully.
Oh, no, yes, I thought we're like this. Like, yeah, bully Hauto for true, G.
Yeah, bully Ato.
Sorry, because we are run out of time, but we'll
Yeah,
probably
yeah,
go
yeah.
next one. But the thing is, Hauto, my G, I love how you handle the situation.
Chill.
But one thing, hey, dog, me see that we call a video like something.
Chill.
Say, Hauto,
Chill.
so you win war,
Big
brother.
up Ato.
One of my bumbuckler favorite comedian, Jim Jeffries, right? The dog say, you see when the people that be mean to you, them a bully you and a fight you, be nice to them. Just continue to be nice to them. No, that not gonna make that person be nice to you.
True.
However, it gonna show the world say, them are the fuckery. And me say that is so fucking deep, bro. And this a situation Hauto a win. Like this is probably gonna be one of the biggest blessings for Hauto.
Era, we're gonna pick up half of this because you're right.
Think I
World Dog is more vocal, but Ato a win. We soon forward back.
Yeah, man.
Alright, the song.
Yes. See the fatty, see the. I need a fat girl tonight, fatty party.
Mud gang, ungrateful and bad
That is
mind.
it.
Def.
Dark and full
Big up
food,
all of
paper.
them, man.
Big up Mud Gang. Big up Imara Nation.
Big up Imara Nation.
don't know the
Big
thing,
up
though.
Sashi. Sashi Weekend. The
Big up
Sashi
Sashi.
Experience. Senton. Ochi. Plantation Cove. May 22nd to the 26th. The only place to be. The biggest show for the year with the biggest bumbuckler acts.
Lineup.
Come on, the lineup is ridiculous, brother.
Jada Kiss, Keisha Cole, Neo,
Bumbo,
Busta Rhyme. Those are
Clad.
the international acts, right?
Yes, and you actually
So
have
for
some,
the local acts, them who we have?
we are talking about Kraft, Tommy Lee, Baker, Raja Wild, Najiri. Well, and 6 of them.
fat.
I forgot. What class? 6 of them, you know? Kraft, Najiri, Skeng. Oh, Skeng!
Gang!
What the hey, boy! What
On Sunday morning, me go market, me buy honey and tomato and garlic.
Dance!
Dance!
You understand?
That
And
is it.
Wyclef Jean a host.
Wyclef.
I'm sorry, I forgot the other lady.
Yeah.
From TVJ were a host. But Thinking Foot negusimara a host. Thinking Foot Bobby Sacks a host. You understand? So you already know if you expect. You understand? So our people forward out, support the movement. Is me I say, cash out and come rock out. We're gonna have a good time. Is me I say.
You know, say me and Bobby Sacks have at least half of Jamaica.
Come on,
ready
man.
and willing. negusimara, Bobby Sacks, Negusimara. We have half of Jamaica like this. So forward out.
Forward
the
out, man.
22nd to the 26th, we got Dark Up Jamaica. St. Ann Plantation Cove, ready.
Def, can you know so one thing, you know, I know it's kind of impossible still, but I would have love to meet everyone of my supporters if I can. Oh, stick a pin. Great, because you have a big platform. People, when I want to see me, I don't know what it's good for you, but I am a very down-to-earth person. I know I'm ignorant and dark on the internet. I'm not going to just diss on in a real life for no reason at all. I'm tired of go places, bro. And people know me, and then they text me after my left. I say, yo,
This see, I know.
yeah, I say, yo. So why you don't say say something?
Them shy.
Bro, I see people look at me and I look at like so.
Them shy.
And when I see it, you know, if I catch a pre, I come over to you because you know me.
Yeah.
You see me? And once I see it, I start check my DMs and check everything to see if it text me and whatever like so. Because I want to know so you're good. Me not gonna just diss nobody like so, bro.
True.
I know so we tan. We's not hype people, bro. Me love drink sugar and water and yam bread back to this day.
Yeah, man.
Me are not hype, brother. You understand?
For me, little pussy in a mix.
Brother, niggas, cut the fuck. You're good, man.
Sugar, water, bread, and pussy.
Jump. So all we say is people, especially at Jamaica, what yo? Cause a lot of people follow the show. They must say, yo, Bobby Sachs, it would be an honor if I can take a picture with you. I say, I would love the honor is mine. I would love to take a picture with you. The fact that you even want one with me, I am so fucking humbled by this.
Don't
like,
understand, bro.
so people, if you want to support me general and whatever, like so, me not go this, and me not keep fucker friends. So me know say Negus, so the same thing apply. You understand? You see thugs, they know the thugs just say something. Guarantee there's nobody, there's no care the mood of it, you know. Remember one time I did at Walmart, and me got a Walmart for go buy something. Right now, mind you, me did it on like a diet. So me didn't eat the whole day. You know when you don't eat, your mouth get think, bro. Me I got Walmart now. Me I walk in hungry. I bush me shut like so, brother. My mouth think. And one girl say, "Oh, Bobby Sachs that." And she come over with her family dog. And me say me done. When me hungry, me begs. Me not like talk. Me not like say nothing at all. Brother, me smile and nod. You fuck with me thinking mouth. Brother, brother, yo, I be a sign language and sound effects, bro. I try to keep the syllables them to a minimum, bro. Oh, dear. I would just do that like so I call it, bro.
Like, same smile with them thinking, bro. I saw you go.
Bro. We're real people.
Bro, I will tell you this. And it'll be like the most unexpected places. Because me, as a youth, I like coffee. I like Starbucks. I went to Starbucks like at 10 something one morning, Zin. And then I drive through, bro. You know when you sleep and you wake up and your face just feel fat? Yeah, your face just feel fat.
Yeah.
I get up, I burn a spliff. I'm going to say, John, I want some coffee. Man, I got coffee pads on my yard. I have like a Keurig. We have like a coffee pad thing. You put in it and it boil it. I never have none of them there, so. I burn a spliff. After I wake up, I'm going to go straight to blood clot. Starbucks. Brother, oh my God, Starbucks, my face crush up, you know, brother.
Hey.
Imagine half hour after you wake up, your face crush up.
Crush up, man. Crush up. Yeah, man.
I'm hearing the girl say, "Oh my God, are you you on online?" I said, "Doing what?" Just see what she said. I said, "Doing what?" Says, "You make the funny videos online." I said, "Yeah, that's me. What's going on?" She said, "Oh my God, you're Negus." My shame. My face fall up and crush up. My face crush up and fuck. But just rise up and say, "Oh my God, this thing." But at the end of the day, I don't think she gave a fuck.
Yeah.
She was just so elated to meet the guy who made her laugh online.
Yeah.
So when you experience that, it's like a surreal feeling.
Definitely.
Bro, even now it's still surreal
Every time,
to me,
every
bro.
time,
Every
every time,
time,
every
bro.
time, every time.
Every time. Like, you know my manager, Key, you know. Like, people are asking us, like, when they book me and them thing, they must say, yo, like, you know, I make sure I'm do this because I don't want the dog. Ride the dog. And Key now, if I tell them, say, yo, bro, nobody think about Negus like this, bro. Negus are real dumb. If I tell them, say, stop telling people them that.
Yeah.
Stop telling them that. When them blood clot, give me less. When them give me the best, when them blood clot, give me the best. Don't tell them something down to earth. My hype.
Yeah.
So them give me the best.
Yeah.
But really and truly, bro, this is
Brother.
just, I'm just happy to be here, bro.
True.
I'm just happy for there.
I'm
Me nah
happy
lie.
to make a living from what me love.
You love though.
This is a privilege. Like this is, I don't think you understand. Like people, something where you love, like something where you do for free, and you can make a living doing that.
Doing that.
Yeah, I feel love and appreciate everybody who make that possible because as creators, and first thing, I even consider myself a creator. I'm a comedian. And niggas a comedian. This I actually, yeah, bumbo blood clot nong too.
Talk to them.
When they see me, I'm gonna think me having to call me no bumbo clot TikToker. I'm not a TikToker. You understand?
TikTok.
Bag of people on TikTok and a fucking talent around here, but we are real blood clot comedian. You see me? I say?
Yeah.
When they see we, I just see as a bumbo clot comedian. Like when I see a artist, your favorite, I say it's an artist that you understand? No, say you don't make a video. We are comedian, you real comedian. You understand? One of those bumbo clot make nice for the internet. When the internet turn off, we up on stage with the badness.
Oh.
Different bumbo clot time zones and
Bumbo
countries
clot.
with the
When
badness.
the internet lock off, we up on stage with the badness.
When the internet lock up, we up on stage with the badness. Bumbo clot, man. Come on now. We is not no influencer. We is not no fucking creator.
We are
no TikToker.
comedians.
We are comedians. The true definition of a comedian. You understand? Because guess what? Maybe we have not mastered comedy in all its variety, but we are attempting to do that. We are on the go and we are well on our way. You understand? Well on our way. Enough people, they just make nice, just say in one circle, and they don't say that a comedian. No. Negus is a comedian. Hey, stick up in Negus. What's some comedian in the Jamaican space? Don't kick out that of it. What's some comedian in a Jamaican space where you look up to or even or rate? You see me? I maybe not comedians like if I could go off, I see them definition of we go off. But could just say people who do them thing in a space. People who rate. Big up some people, man.
I would like to big up Dufton Shepherd, who
Big
got
up Duffy.
big up Duffy.
Slightly
slightly unhinged. Big up Duffy, and then me personally want big up Triple X. Big up Triple X. Big up Duffy and big up Triple X. Two of Jamaica's biggest. Triple X, he did Dufton Shepherd's Slightly Unhinged, and the Dawg. His material was solid. And he's not a comedian, he's a DJ. And the man content resembles that of a stand-up comedian.
What?
So Triple X, big up myself. Dufton Shepherd, big up myself. Yeah.
See, the young youth don't want to do them things. You big up Junior earlier.
Oh, no, but me think I talk about stand-up comedy.
I may say like when I was limited. That's just people want them things.
No. Junior the comedian, big up myself. Junior the Junior the creator, and the youth we have a video with you. The black youth, the dark skin youth. Two I want to big up on the blood class self. I don't know a theme page, but I know same work with you on a regular. So big up Junior the creator. Junior the creator is Negusimara's favorite comedian right now.
My favorite?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
You show them say you cannot do your thing.
Yeah.
And whatever, but you can still have unity and give people them props.
Yeah,
Niggas,
yeah,
I just told them alone they call and them alone they watch. What some people you don't mind watch them video, bro. I like it, you know.
All right. So right now, me not watch nobody else. Me not watch nobody else thing. Me not lie to you. But who I used to watch before, Kevin Too Crazy. Big up yourself, Kevin
Legend.
Too Crazy. Legend.
Legend.
Big up Kevin Too Crazy. Big up Trabas. Big up Gyalis.
Major.
Me never used to watch. To be honest with you, bro, Major. To be honest, I won't even count Major because Major is somebody who you had to watch.
True.
You never have no choice. Somebody shared that shit.
Fuck all too, you know.
Yeah, him all.
Yeah.
Major, you're all, but
Major.
somebody who I knew shared your shit, and we had no choice but to watch Major. Major had that effect. You had to watch him. Junior, the creator, and them man, them bad, but you watch them man there for your own time. And watching them man there for your own time prove to me, say, somewhere down the line you're going to be big as fuck. So big up Junior, the creator.
Big up Junior, the creator.
Big up yourself as a young youth in that thing right now. You are one of the only youth in my watch right now. No, I lie. Prince Guava.
Big sour thinking Guava. I'm a charging that now.
Prince
And
Guava.
I want to say this. Because I always tell Guava, but I want to tell the world. Guava, hands down, are probably the only comedian me see Well, when them do music, me even remember say the brother is a real comedian. You know, him not try the music. Guava, I want a baddest bumbleclad artist. I tell him every time. And Guava is a bad fucking comedian. Guava sang them, rich I'm in a start, yeah.
Bad.
You know, say the bang a gun corporate. Bumbleclad. Not if he hate. Guava, well, Guava do when we have a comedian war, Guava do a song on this me. I tell them me say some just vice note to Dawg. I just say, hey. Suck with Dawg say, sucks. Me might black, but you're blacker. Me think me fat, but heart of fatter. Guava! Yo, Guava to grung, dog.
Guava, I want the youth them I can say. Guava can transition out of anything. Him can Guava if you put your mind to it. And Guava look on Guava like I look on myself. Because you see, Guava all on young. Majority of the people who watch Sax podcast, on probably in our early 20s, mid 20s. Zin? And on have some of them one in 30s and mid 30s. But I feel like you have the young youths. Have them. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cause you sure? Show me. You got a lot of motherfuckers your age. Don't get me wrong. People older was at your show for sure. But majority of the crowd, them young. Would you agree or disagree?
Definitely. Agree.
You agree? Good. Coming on one sound no way.
No.
So like World Dog.
No.
So, you see me? So, like, Sax of the young crowd. You see me? Bro, you have them. So, you, Prince Guava, Joe, before I meet Prince Guava work with a youth named Joe. Joe Skits or Joe.
Oh, yeah,
I
know Joe.
So Joe did want me.
Bumba will drain if you're more consistent, no batty boy, because I mean,
Joe bad from a longer time.
Joe bad, you fuck.
Him bad.
But me don't know
Joe, me don't know him to Joe. Because me did meet Joe before me meet
Guava.
Prince Guava. And Joe, me don't know if him did want me help him boss or whatever. I couldn't do it, brother. I couldn't do it. Joe, anything what you have to right now for your career, you have to do it for yourself. Nobody never helped Negusimara boss. Nobody never helped Bobby Sachs boss. So you, Joe, have to boss Joe. Prince Guava have to boss Prince Guava. The talent we want to have.
Body of fuck. Joe have, big up Joe.
No, Joe bad.
Joe have, like, when you see my video, them, I have the least amount of editing in my videos.
Joe bad.
Me never have sound effects or nothing like them. That's
just
me.
Straight.
That's me. You see me?
I envy this nigga. This nigga can just turn on him camera. Paper. Boom. When me go to boom and say, then me force to take the put up on my camera and stay some anytime stay.
Roger. Yeah, brother.
But yeah.
You see Joe.
Yeah, man.
Watch Dawg, man. Sometimes I wish we could have edit like Joe, bro. Like the way me watch your video, then me wonder where you do put out Joe. Me just don't know where I go through. You never know about the life, but bro, if I this you want, regardless of where I go through, the people who support you don't give a fuck, bro. You have to be consistent regardless of what I go on in your life, bro. As long as you have life, make it content because whatever problem you have, believe you me, I content go solve that in the long run if you're consistent. Swear, me even if I'm not fucking right now, bro. Your body a fuck. Big up. First of all, I want to big up Uncle Hype, I call him, the whole blood clot Major Hype, For people who don't know, Major Hype was 63.
Uncle Hype.
Right?
Man, lie.
Yeah, no, Major Hype was 63, man.
63.
No, man, it's low mass, bro.
Load of maths.
Low mass, bro. Yeah,
Crying out to say.
Major has mastered every element of this comedy shit what me aspire to do. Major was the first person, me see, from the Jamaican background where me see him do stand up and the way him do it, me say, yo, I saw me want to do it.
Yeah.
Watch Major Hype show Dawg a code switch in and out like so.
In and out.
Effortlessly. And then he got accent switch. And I say, where the fuck did the bumbo hole in my youth? Like, me just start get bad mind him and the dog. And I say, yo, Major. Yo, and the thing about Major do that. If me call Major right now, I say, yo, Major, I don't know what to do about this or whatever. Major Hype, one thing, Major Hype can chat still. If I catch him on the phone, he's not going to make it come off.
I laugh because that's fact.
Yo, brother, if Major... Once me ask him a question, I get me answer. Don't talk with him, brother.
I'm going to one long epistle.
Brother.
But.
He not hide nothing. Everything by the table. Big up Uncle Major.
Big up Major.
I big him up, bro. You see me?
Yeah.
White Yard, him watch White Yard stand up already. White Yard bad. White Yard bad to watch him stand up. I I'm not sure. Duffy, big up Duffy. Me never really see you live yet, but we'll go see you soon, my general. I don't know where's the stand up, but Prince Guava, one of my favorite, dog.
Yeah.
Prince Pine was a giant from a tall time. Is it me I say?
Definitely.
But Buckler, anything, I can't remember. Big up Joe. Who else? Matter of fact, which blood clot highlight some people? Mad Capo. Me not say highlight like you're not dating. You've been a dating and you're bad too. I see a video them all about and things to see. But I used to always the close up in the camera like so.
Mad Capo.
In your Mad Capo. The
name sound familiar, but
in the right up in the camera like
if I see him, I'll definitely know.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Who that brother that were named Ezzy or Izzy?
Easy.
Ezzy Royal.
Oh, Evie.
Evie Royal. Yeah.
Evie, yeah, fuck up your ground too, you know, bro.
Yeah.
Evie, you have the older people. You see, hey, let me show you.
Relatable videos.
Yeah.
You're winning.
Let me show you why Evie ain't a lane by yourself for your age. Because you see, the crowd will follow you, bro. You have a couple young people, cool. But you see, you can't entertain the older people.
Older people.
Most older people hate me. Because me not no filter, me not clean, me dirty and sick stomach. That's me. That's who I am. Me can't change. I mean that. So big up people like everywhere can balance off the badness. Because who like jankro people them, I like big people them when they're their old age, but them not grow good, and they refuse to believe that they're old and still love the slackness and the fuckery. Yeah. They're on my side. And the whole like young done said they're on my side. See?
But that's glad say Sax there forget a little bit of the hatred. You understand?
Oh yeah.
A long time. I don't know where the fuck me do people. Bro, I'm sure you're wondering what the fuck you do to people. You're just making them...
Me know. No, I'm saying despite, man. Me never ask myself, me know why they don't like me.
Say,
me know.
I see, that's the thing that piss me off, brother. And that's the thing I'm ram for telling about to the mama stinking gal. Me not trouble people. But for some reason, I feel like when they can fuck with me. I'm because what, my shot? I got this, yo. I got this, your mother. I got this, your father. If your siblings were dead, I got this them too. Don't ever have R.I.P. in your bio. Because I got this whoever in your blood clot bio. Leave me alone.
Leave him alone, but all too.
Suck on the mother.
Too. Bumbo clot, man. We're not trouble man. I know say man, bumbo clot shot already. And if you don't have nothing to do with the man, the man gonna take that personally. Yeah, man.
Personal.
I must throw my shot.
Show me to my shot.
In this regard, I fuck you when I'm saying that. Because Negus, you have been charging, but you see, you have a way of turn people against you for spite them. Because you see, you have some time where that's why I'm not smoking. I can see Negus bunny dirty weed already and become a different person, you know, bro. Like,
what the fuck? Wait. No, we ain't gonna say no.
No, I'm not fuck still, but all me I say is, me see, me there so good, and like me I laugh and things, see me like so, we done so. And then by the time I go and turn on, I see you live, I click on Negus live. Negus are born out the whole I don't say them. I mean, I say, where's you? But me, he just done so over here, so bro. You must, hey boy, if you scam, me no like you. Suck your mother scammer, boy. If you stay so you cuss one bag of sinful, hey boy, warm to Jesus. God fi kill some of you. I mean, I say, Negus, I will of my people like this, bro. I will like people who not gonna even support me, you know. Hey boy, you can't this me people them say that Negus.
When I smoke weed, I get conscious.
Yeah, brother.
When I smoke weed, me get conscious. Swear for burn out done.
Let me show you, Remember one time, you know, because you see, when I join my friend in live, you know, bro, I don't normally pay attention to what go on yet, but I start chatting because I know my friend them.
Yeah.
I join the live, I start, scare to your boss say that right, Nigga say, sucks. I'm serious right now. I know you love you joking, but this is not joking time. Bill, I may say, if you feel like when my father put me on my place, I say, all right. You know what I'm saying? It's a different. But just stop coming, bro. I say, you know, we wait till the dog come back, don't get up because me don't want a problem with everybody right now, but I'm good.
Hey, I tell you this right now. I tell you this right now. I said at them time, you know. Me never really too sure. But no, it's if Sax, me attack and Sax said, Negus, I said, Sax, cut the fuck here, brother. Come on, go do what him depend. Sax joke, but him serious, but him a joke. If you are not a friend, you don't understand what that mean. Him serious, but him a joke, but him serious. You don't understand that.
Perfect sense.
Right?
Perfect sense.
Right? Perfect sense. Him a joke, but him serious, but him a joke. We know what that mean. So, when you did comment them thing, I said, I don't know what Sax step on them time there. Because we don't meet them time there, but no, I know Sax step on. But on a big man level, bro, I hate you scamming ass.
Yo, low people, low at the man, just low at the man.
Fucker.
We both got yard, no, bro.
We are going
Remember, so we got yard.
Scammer, big up on the blood class.
Banging line.
We are coming to Jamaica and banging line.
Banging, fuck Mocha. Dial the line.
Dial it, brother.
Activate the banger tone.
Scam two white people.
Dear. Yo, a dog make a video what they have my favorite video right now too, you know. The dog say, when old people listen to Jamaican music, and the dog say, scam white people.
Fuck out that show.
Fuck egg, y'all suck moon. Obia. Big up the dog, I don't know what dog there, but big up the dog there, bro. Yeah, bro. Scam white people using money by gun. Say it full.
What do you guys see like that? Tears are coming out of my eye. Walla. What do you guys see? Tears are coming out of my eye.
Negus.
It's funny as fuck because it's real.
Using money by gun.
Scam,
fat rider, not us.
Scam white people. This shit is funny as fuck, bruh.
Done zone. Oh, dear, man.
Yo.
Hey, no one nobody. Listen, more say this clear. More wanna hear me, like really look for me and think, see me. You see me I say? Not tell me no fucker, man. People are come tell me by house before beast. House can skate pan the toll. House can drift. House can go take up gal. Not tell me no fucker, man. House can go KFC, go buy gal things. Anything, yo. House can go KFC, not KFC, you know.
KFC.
Yeah, CXC and KFC. KFC, brother. House can go KFC, go buy girl things. That boy named Jaden big him up to, you know. Big him up, you know. Tell me no fucker, man. Dear, fat rider, not us. Dear. I mean, rent house and beast. I'm told you don't want to buy a house before beast. I eat that, you. House can drive. Dear, you. House and Bluetooth. Dear, brother. Yo, go, yo. And that's, yo. Where the fuck you look to, brother? Where the fuck you look to that? Junk. Dance. Yo.
My junk.
Junk. Hey, hear me a say.
Pussy all beast gas. What's a beast gas skate for the tool, pussy?
House can't skate, bro.
House can't skate for the tool.
House can't skate for the tool, bro.
When me used to live at Portmore, my one bedroom never skate for the tool.
Charlie's over zinc house and board for that can't skate.
Can't skate for the tool.
My father used to have one 1987 Nissan Bluebird. It could have skate.
Yeah.
Yeah. That could have skate.
Why?
Dear.
But just want to say, give thanks to America for boots me up and give me what me need to get to be an adult.
Yeah.
Because Jamaica never offered those things to me because I was poor.
Real dog. I mean.
So America gave me the tools to be.
Yeah.
What the word? America gave me the tools to skate across America.
Skate across the continent and the country and all that stuff.
Yeah. I've skated in over 36 states.
Bumbo class. The whole heap of skating that.
And that's over half of the state them. And 50 something states there in America. I'm go over. I skate across all of them. I never skate in West Saks have a BMW. Saks have a 2024 BMW. me have a 2020 Honda Civic.
Yo, big up your whole like, yo. It's not the Honda Civic, bro. Cut the fucker. I Honda Hellcat from the Honda Hellcat, bro. Remember, I found up on the media, I would say bad driver. Because you one thing, you know. I
love my friend them.
One thing, you know, you see Honda Hellcat them they are not govern upon you. Wherever the speedometer top, and they say speed top. Yeah. You understand? And them, they skate. And the thing, boy, under them, we can skate them, bend them up and beat you out.
And 2 weeks now, blood class shop, we go again.
Go like pass easy if you get.
That is it.
Every time I bend up in Bumbo Club East, you know how much money that cost me?
That is it.
I
But
mean,
when I lie still, would I know I'm BMW right now? When I lie still under clutch, you know.
Be my
Yeah,
Honda.
man.
That's what my badness then.
Be my
Either
Honda?
way, Be my Honda.
I like how my friend make me feel included.
The man. Well, honestly, still, you know, me go dry line. It doesn't make you feel good. Honda Civic, me not like Honda Civic, bro. Accord, bro.
Accord fatter.
Accord the badness, there, bro. Like,
Accord fatter. No joke.
Like-
More, it fully flush,
Brother.
fully loaded everything.
me look for Civic as like the Batman version for Honda. But
No,
no disrespect.
no, I can't.
No, and you may attack. No, this has nothing to do with you, bro.
You can't have the car, you can't style the
All
car.
right.
You're going too far.
All right. It just different. All right. You are gone. Perfect example. Honda Civic, I like. You ever listen to a mixtape with your favorite song, but them bleep out all like bad with them.
Clean.
And
That's
that's
the
your
Honda
drive.
Civic is a clean version.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, dog. And that's your drive, bro. You drive the clean version, bro. I mean, he's not a clean person. You understand? So, but that's the year badness.
I understand.
Every time me a mixtape with my favorite tune, I cuss bad and his song now cuss bad with them.
Yeah.
Me don't want your song no more. So you have a clean version, bro. Yeah, man. You have the edit or the rated version.
I'm cool.
Yeah.
All right with that.
Yeah.
One, hey.
Mm-hmm.
It is what it is, bro.
Yeah.
One of them days we're going to push out one.
Soon, fucking soon, bro. And I'm going to roll me out from a charge them. Talk them can't drive the Benz, bro. Anyone I'm a charge them. No Benz, you.
Tasmo.
That's my batty boy.
I feel like me and Tasmo are
No.
the best friend. Tasmo,
No.
I feel like me I get a Benz. What you think, Tasmo?
No, you know.
Tasmo! Sax no like Benz. Me I get a Benz. What you think?
Hey boy, Tasmo gonna get Benz because I know the hatred them have for Benz, you know dog.
Tasmo get a red Benz. Hey boy, Tasmo you a pussy.
Yo, brother. The reason man go for Benz that you know how much me hate Benz, you know. And then guess what, boy, I gone out of the country up and deployment and left a Benz with me.
I left a Benz.
I mean-
trauma. The dog left one bag of trauma with Sax. Hey boy.
Boy, Tasmo.
Tasmo, be yourself. But here,
We have 1 more minute before this cut off. Real quick. Sashi weekend. May 22nd to the 26th.
That is
biggest show for the year with the biggest and the baddest bumbuckler host them. As I say, Bobby Sachs and Negus bumbuckler Imara. Big up Imara Nation and big up the whole bumbuckler
big
mud
up,
gang.
big up Mud
Canada, May 14th to the 28th. As I say, I will be performing in 6 cities. Just jump on my page, see me Bobby Sachs 876 on all platforms and just look up the dates them and thing. Thank all of you for the support and thing the same way. Negus, my brethren.
You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Negusimara signing out. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand?
That is it.
Follow Bobby Sachs, follow Negus. YouTube video up right now. 1 or 2 days until we drop this. See?
Bad for that.
Up full.
Big up Sashi. Sashi is
back.
Def. Come on, man. Oh, Sashi. May 23rd, 26th. Jamaica. Say tears them used to call it. I don't even know that.
That is it.
Dance.
Bomba clot, them dead.
Bomba clot.